Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hi, Beth. Hi, Chani from India. Chani. Julie. Good morning, Julie. Detox. What's up, Marco? Chris. What's up, Chris? Caesar. Good morning, Caesar. Good morning, Andrew. Sonny. Crypto trade is Sonny illegal. Interesting. Scotty. Good morning. Who else is here? Cool. Raphael. Hector. Robert. Diamond, Jose, Patty. Good morning, guys. Aloha. Peace and absolutely, Scotty. Please and thank you. Absolutely, I will. And I just can't do the 8 hours yet. Not yet. Not yet. Fall Rider. Good morning. A little bit better, Julie. A little bit better. Pep. Good morning, Pep. Good morning, Augie. Let's go. Let me plug in. It's Friday, guys. You guys know what Fridays are like. Namaste, AJ. Namaste. Film Peach. Good morning to you as well. Welcome back. Fridays, guys. Usually super slow, especially today. Today seems red. Today seems like a redness day, so it's gonna be even slower today. And even the names that are running here today, like Zivo and stuff like that, those names are most likely gonna sell off as well, right? So just be cautious. Yeah, like I say often, like Fridays are usually like the day where like you're making sure like you're disciplined, like you're very disciplined, right? So you're locking in those gains. You don't want to be holding a positions like, you don't want a position that was intended for a trade to be held over the weekend, right? So yeah, again, keep in mind people take profits very quickly on Fridays. Dario, good morning. Education, good morning. Lori, good morning. Gorilla Day today. What's Gorilla Day? Good morning, Anor Ben. Good morning. There you go. There you go, Scotty. Yeah, I've heard him. Scotty says, reminder, guys, people often lock in profits on Friday. Please watch your positions, recheck your plan, and be cautious about entering a new investment today. Good luck and stay green. Absolutely. Very nice, Scotty. That's not gonna happen, Robert. Watch Clove up on the worst day of the week. It's not gonna happen. I promise you that Clove is rubbish. It doesn't perform well when other things are bad. It's National Gorilla Day. It is, Julie. Oh wow. Okay, I did not know that. Interesting. Preston, that's what you're watching today. That's what you're watching. Pre-market movers, guys. Let's see. Open up a few things here. Open up some charter quants here. PLTR. Interesting. Interesting there. There we go. So I'm just gonna quickly refresh just to make sure nothing's really changed. APOP here is one that I'm just gonna ignore because I think it's moving for some reason. It's there's something else going on here. When something's up 266% on 13K in volume, that means there's something else going on other than an actual move, right? So I'm just gonna completely ignore that there. There you go. And then so Zivo, we have UFAB here. So Zivo is up 90% here today. UFAB is up 43% this morning. Meredith, I'm gonna ignore that one as well. The volume is not good enough for me here. And then we have VTVT up 19% on 8.8 million in volume. And then CAPR here is another one that And yeah, Capricor here, another one that's really moving here this morning on volume. And then RGC, I know some of you guys are watching RGC. RGC is not on the list here, but it's just a name that's been that's just trending on social media today. I just want to take a look at Naked Brands keeping it. Naked Brands. What's your position in Naked Brands? Let me know. I'll take a look once I'm done here. So AMC giving off free popcorn and gorilla. Split inverse. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Education. No, that's usually what it is. When something's up that much or no volume, it's usually a split. Some reverse split. Nothing. Yeah, it's nothing going on there. So yeah. Oh no, Hector. 4-1 split. That's why it's up. Okay, thank you, Augie. Thank you very much. 4-1. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother looking at it. So I'm gonna look up. Very weird. I'm gonna look up Zivo here. I want to know why Zivo is pushing this morning. I bet you there's no news. Zivo is just a social media name that's a low float essentially. That's moving with just increased sentiment, right? Just increased like momentum there. So, far fisher and last stock. Okay, cool. Nothing there. So we'll take a look at the chart there, of course. For Zivo, we've looked at Zivo already as well. Some UFAB here is another one, right? Some UFAB here. I want to take a look and see why UFAB is performing well this morning. So a unique fabricating shares are trading up 32%. Late Thursday show purchases of multiple directors. Okay, so insider buying and raises for. Okay, sounds good. Okay. So there's some insider buying going on there that I'm not going to take a look. I'm not going to take a look at those filings, but I'm going to take a look at the chart down. So number two, that's number two, yeah. And then I wanted to take a look at this one here as well, VTVT here. Mm. So VTVT, so VTV, Therapeutics shares the trading high after the company announced results of multiple ascending dose study and development plan of HPP 737, an oral PDE4 inhibitor of the treatment of psoriasis. Okay, cool. Okay, so they have news. So that's something we're going to keep an eye out for there. And then lastly, I want to take a look at. I know some of you guys are keeping an eye on this one as well here. Yeah, EEHR here, but I want to take a look at CAPR here. So up about 16 to 17% on with 8.44 million in volume. So CAPR is up this morning. Capricor, I'm having like a vitamin a super cell. GREE is having a super cell. It's okay. I don't want it for free. Now it is now even lower float slightly under on slightly under a million Augie. Okay, that's very interesting actually. That's interesting then. I'm having a what is it called, a vitamin C thing where you have to like either chew it or just like slowly eat it. So it's very Krypton says, good morning, good morning. Your thoughts on BB and when should I buy according to my entry position? I'd be looking for like $10, Krypton, like to scale in, right? At $10, you're in at 61 cents, 1,700 shares of Naked Brands. Okay, sounds good. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. So what was that? What was that? I was on. Okay. So Capricor here. So CAPR then. Therapeutics are trading higher. Shares are trading higher after the company announced final data from the phase 2 Hope 2 trial in patients with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Treatment treated with cap. Okay, met the primary efficacy endpoint. Okay, cool. Yeah. So there's some good results, some good phase study results there as well. So yeah, we'll take a look at the charts, guys, and see what really fits something that can really move, right? Again, news, low flow, momentum, volume, right? So that's what we're looking for those trades, right? So immune blast chewables, good stuff. Yeah, they're called Andrew. They're called I don't know if this counts as advertising. Yeah, but they're chewable. They're chewable. I don't want to show it just in case. Good morning, Wiz. Hmm. Someone just sent me a message. Someone just woke up and sent me a message. You guys know who it is. Toba. And they woke up and saw that the market was red. Toba woke up and saw that the market was red. And the first message is, what the hell? Toba is not happy this morning. Not happy. Yeah, guys, smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe. Share the link if you're. It was just funny. It's like he was expecting the market to be green today, and yeah, but is don't eat drinking some water and getting off your tea. Fall rider. Okay, thank you, thank you. Mm, mm. Alrighty, so what else? Check the quants. Let me take a look at the quants here. Copy there. Let's see what's trending here on social media, guys. Again, in the last 24 hours, so you can see that PLTR has been trending on there. PLTR. But I want to see what's really moving here. Again, PLTR, Nike, TMC, BB, Wish, STC, IRNT. Them. These are all some tickers that are trending here on Reddit in the last 24 hours, right? But what I want to really know is what's moving here in the last hour or so. And yeah, STC. I mean, a lot of talk about STC, but a lot of it is negative, right? So most of it is negative. There's some positive there. There's some neutral there. But STC, there's a lot of negative talk on about STC on Reddit. So Baba's another one. The Amazon, Yang, Affirm, GME, BB, AMC, and then yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. So here you go. And then what's moving here on Twitter in the last hour? S&P, Affirm is still interesting them. So, and what else? Really nothing that I'm paying attention to here. I can see some Roku there, some CRM, some HLBZ there. Yeah, in the last hour or so. So, other than that, there's really nothing going on. It's Friday again, though, right? So says Fridays me make money first 2 hours and then sell off for the weekend, Martin. Yeah, usually the first hour or so. Bon matin, ça va? Oui, at Detroit. A little bit better at Detroit. How are you? Bon matin. There's always yeah. Should take a break and come back for power hour, which might be next. Unbelievable. Next month is just next week, right, Andrew? And you know what? You can have the first suck it of the day, Andrew. You can suck it. Unbelievable. Take a look at UFAB here. We'll take a look at the charts for all these tickers that we talked about, guys. Yeah, we can take a look at the firm. Cool. Okay, good, Detroit. Good, 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 good. It's no like Andrew. Honestly, I'm saying, I'm not quite, I'm not quite off with the 8 hour streams already. So usually when I wake up in the morning, I feel like I feel good. I feel good, like better, like improving. But then I feel like I pushed the line, like as we go into the rest of the day, like I pushed the line. But at the end of the day, I'm like, oh yeah, that definitely sucks. Don't feel yeah. It's just so I just need to be careful. Just watch like the hours for now that I'm doing stuff, and then until like I'm fully recovered, and then we can do the 8 hour streams again. Back to the 8 hour streams soon, 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 guys. So there you go. Which one's a good buy in your opinion? We'll take a look, Lori. We'll take a look at the charts. Good morning, Rosita. Naz, good morning. Good morning, guys. So let's move on here. To let's see here. What do I want to move on to? I'm just getting some stuff here. There you go. It's a trading view here, so I'm gonna go over to the charts there. add a few things to the list here. I'm going to switch up these candles here because that's not what I want for now. So I'm going to start off by look at Zivo here. Again, Zivo is the top gainer this morning, right? So, yeah. So let's take a look at Zivo. I know we looked at Zivo last week as well. There, Zivo. Again, Zivo was a pump and dump, right, guys? Again, it was a nice pump, nice pump, and a sell off. Pump again here and sold off, and pumped again here and sold off, right? So again, this morning we're pumping again, right? So again, huh, it's a it's actually, yeah, like it's doing the exact same thing as doing often. So another pump here. I'm just trying to see if there's any correlation here, like time wise. No, not really. So there we go. Yeah, so again, we're gapping up to above this $6 level here, which is important. So again, watch for resistance at your next level resistance here. We're currently sitting just below 7. Next level resistance is 7, obviously, and then 760 here. So those are going to be the two levels that we're paying attention to, right? So this one's clearly gapping up to a level that we don't like. But it can obviously still keep going. So we're gonna watch it for the first 5 minutes once the market opens and see if there's actually anything there, right? So it's is it a low? Yeah, it's a low float. So once volume comes in, you expect it to move, right? So we're gonna keep an eye out there for Zivo. I would not, Andrew. I would not stream for. I would not. Like Andrew, it's like it's not even something that I have control over. Like after a while, I just feel like, Andrew. Like after a while, I just feel like I've done like 100 hour stream. Like after a few hours of like not just streaming, but everything. It's just, yeah. So um, let's see. Up 8% FCUV. FCUV. Yeah. Super small volume. Yeah, I saw that pre-market. Arrows in your how do I get the arrows? These are called these are super trend arrows. They're supposed to tell you when to buy and when to sell. Yeah, they're just supposed to help you with yeah, super trend. So yeah, just go. You can just add it like in here, right? So go to indicators and search up super trend. Right. So do this super, and then it's this one right here. So and then you just have to change this. You just have to change the settings. So go into your inputs and make sure like factor one PD7. There you go. There you go. Before he mix him by more clove oil. Absolutely not, Detroit. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No more. No more. Absolutely not. So I know I want to take a look at a few more tickers here. So Naked Brands is one of them. For Naked Brands, see, in at 61 cents, 1,700 shares. Naked Brands is gapping up this morning, so that's a very good sign, actually. Wow, wow, there you go. Finally, making some profits here, right? So there you go. Very nice. Again, I honestly would not like for you to go red in this position again here. Honestly, it's just, yeah, like 71, 73 here, 74 is seems to be a very like a level of resistance here. So every time we approach this level, you want to be very cautious, right? So just don't go red in this position. Like naked brands is not really something that I like that much. But it's moving this morning, 13%. That's very nice. Like you're finally back in the green here, and it's actually moving here for some reason. Do they have news? What's the yeah? Like they have a. This is my issue. Like they have a lot of shares. We like the low floats. This one's pushing for 1 billion shares. So eventually, these guys are gonna do a raise at some point. They're gonna do some fun, some a split at some point to try and adjust this, and that's not a good thing, right? So let me see if there's news here. August the 20th. That's not today. So yeah, don't see any news here. So I'm not quite sure why this is moving, but 14%. Yeah, very nice. Again, obviously, I think we're gonna open and then sell off, right? So especially for this thing here, this thing loves to sell off. So just keep that in mind. But it's looking good here for you. What else was on the list that I want to take a look at? And then RGC's best talking about happy. Oh, support for it's like 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents, Lori. 50 cents. 5 minutes. 5 minutes before the market opens. Good morning, Sandy. Good morning, M Sense. Let's Tony, good morning. Morning, morning. William, as I need to no to deal from the oh yeah no William, good luck William. I will keeping it real. Thought it was dead. Oh no, yeah, that thing loves to pump and dump. Boro is Zivo, yeah. There you go. So what else? Let me take a look at some more pre-market movers here. So 1 second, I just need to pull up that list. I remember what I need to look at here. So UFAB is another one there. Okay, so I'll take a look at UFAB there, VTVT, and then CAPR here before the market opens. Hopefully, so I'm just gonna quickly add those to the list here. So CAPR is another one that we'll be keeping an eye out for here. CAPR there, and then VTVT here. Not BT guys, not BT, and then one more. Forgetting what it's called now. UFAB. So UFAB. There you go. So I'm just gonna quickly run through these charts here. So UFAB is obviously again gapping up this no cap R here gapping up this morning on a little on some news, right? So let me see if TradingView has that news just for a quick reminder here. So again, cap arm after the yeah phase two trial, right? So company's phase two trial in a muscular dystrophy met its primary endpoint. So there you go. And yeah, and they're moving this morning. So again, gap ups are usually for selling. People are going to take profits on the Friday here, so just be cautious there, especially as we gap up to a very key level here as well, right? Again, nice move here this time, and then sold off, right? So you want to be careful as we approach this level here this time. So there you go. So we'll be keeping an eye out for that, and then VTVT here. VTVT, actually not too bad. Like where it's coming from, like it's just coming off a nice support level there. So I'm gonna put a line right there. So yeah, we're bouncing off a very nice level here, nice bounce there. Well, again, and now we're having a nice little gap up here, right? So that's again this we're gonna keep an eye out for this one once the market opens as well. And then UFAB here we have 3 minutes, 3 minutes, and yeah, this one's coming off a nice level here as well, right? So I like when things are like at least like bouncing off support levels. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out for UFAB here again, guys. Keep in mind that these things are like gapping up on Fridays. People love the profits on the Friday, so just be careful there. So Iron says check AEHR. I'll take a look. Is over 5 e break? Okay, VTVT daily volume. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I also need to take a look at the float for these names. Yeah, I want to take a look at VTVT again here. I know it's like it's a penny stock here. Well, I mean it's $2. What's the volume like? Okay, cool, interesting there. What else? The float here for cap arm is something I want to keep an eye out for as well. 14% move there. Okay, 22 million. 22.5 million in float there. Volume is usually non-existent, but today we're getting a lot more volume, right? So let's see what happens here. And then yeah, there you go. And then AEHR here, the last one here before we move on. Here we go. If it loads. There we go. I mean, it's this one. I know we've been looking at this one for some time now, right? This one finally broke this resistance here, and then had a very nice run here. So yeah, it's looking good. Like it's looking very good. We're gapping up to what are we gapping up to? Like all time 52-week highs here. So we're gapping up to 52-week highs. So we're just gonna have to keep a very close eye on this name here for the initial sell off, and then we can go from there. So I'm gonna set up the charts here for a few names here to watch, and I'm gonna put a BTBT here. I don't know why, but just because it's not performing. But we're still holding that $6 level here. We came back pre-market, guys, and we played around $6, right? So again, hopefully the bounce area is 550 and $6 here. Hopefully this is the bottom, right? And we eventually bounce from here and then go from there. So that's that there on the left. And then what's ATR looking like this morning? Are we gapping down this morning? We're sitting slightly flat here. So market is now open. Um, market is open. BBIG, not a whole lot happening there. So I'm gonna leave up ATR for the first like few minutes here, guys. I'm gonna leave this for now, ATR, and then I'm gonna replace this one here with one of the new movers here. So I'm gonna put up Zivo for now. I just want to see the initial again, as expected, guys. Right, again as expected. This thing did something very similar last a few days ago. We sold off at the open and then just woke up and exploded. Right, so we're gonna keep a very close eye on that same scenario there possibly. Some yeah, Zivo is very interesting here. Some again sold off at the very first minute here, and then yeah. Good morning, Debbie. But that's Mina says TMC. Let's go. I am. There you go. It's a what's that? ATR. Okay. Again, people take profits at the open when again gap up so for selling, gap down to usually for buying, right? So yeah, Zivo is just selling off here initially. So just be careful with the chasing. And then BBIG again, we tested $6 pre-market here, and we're trying to bounce up that level there. Ding 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 ding. Let's go. La la la. Hazel, MMT. Yeah, I know we like MMT's been like MMT's been it's been a hot trade taker for for some time now, but yeah, pumping. Gideon, pumping. Good morning, Jean Paul. Good morning. Yeah, here we go. Like yeah, that's just Zivo, right? Again, like sell off at the open here. That's quite the sell off. Quite the right candle there. And then we just wake up and start running, right? So yeah, watch for $7. I'm not quite sure what the levels. Okay, 760. There you go. So 760 would be your next level of resistance if we can break above, right? If we can break above $7. Not quite doing it yet this morning. So there you go. We're just playing games here for now this morning. Again, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like all these, the first three candles here are doing the exact same thing. So nothing's really moving here. And BBIG, the nice little pump here, the open, all gone. Not quite ready to move, guys. Not quite ready to move. ATR is maybe the one that's maybe might go on a nice little run here. Again, keep in mind it's Friday, all right? People take profits very quickly, so just be careful there. Creative price target. Dip and rip on Zivo to 7. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Strong again, Martin. Okay, sounds good. Support for VTVT. Lori, I'll take a look. Might be the watermelon, Jose. Might be the watermelon. It might just might be. So again, I'm gonna quickly get rid of Zivo here for now because it's not quite. We're looking for that support. We're being patient and waiting for that level. And in terms of VTVT here, Lori, for support, if my chart can quickly load here. Again, we had that sell off at the open, and then we're looking to move here, right? So in terms of like levels, you should be paying attention to here for support and whatnot. I'd be watching for $2 here very closely to see if we can build support above that level here. Yeah, I'd be patient there with $2. At $2, I'd be waiting for that maybe. Yeah. Mm-mm. If you can get $2 as is trying to move here a little bit, but I would be patient there with that name there, and then EEHR here is looking actually not looking too bad here. Again, sell off at the open as expected, and then quick recovery, right? So there you go. Mhm. And STC is actually like all the way to $6 here. So yeah. And then CAPR here. Yeah, this thing's still selling off. It hasn't got the memo yet that you're supposed to sell off and go back up. So I'm still selling off here again. Patience with it and see where we can find support at, and then potentially recover from there, right? So other than that, though, there's a lot of red on the list this morning. A lot of red. BB, a lot of reds. This thing had a nice day yesterday after earnings. Red. Yeah, just red. Again, you guys remember MRM him? Again, this thing had a nice run up yesterday. Today we're down 14%, right? So this is why we keep mentioning a lot of these names that move on news on a single day basis here. They're not positions for you to be holding them in hands. They're not positions for you to buy and hold long term, especially after 100% move. The positions where you scalp them, you day trade them, right? So because again, 90% of the time, all these trades that show up and they're pumping here today, they're gonna be red on Monday, right? So just make sure you're quite aware of that then. What else? Naked brands. VTVT there. Still not a move there. UFAB. What's UFAB doing here? Okay, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, it's gonna be slow, guys. Like it's gonna be slow as expected. We know what Friday like we it's just a Friday thing for the most part, right? So, 90% of the time, Fridays are super boring, especially this week with the way the week is played out. People are just gonna be supplements for supplements. FDA is gonna make it prescription only soon. McMom. NAC supplements. NAC supplements. Okay, I've never heard of those supplements. McMom. Never heard of them. Interesting. So here we go. And UFAB here is actually looking very interesting here. Volume is in there. It's a super low float. And what's the news for these guys again? Can't remember. September the 23rd. Yeah. Okay. So Richard. Okay, director. Okay. So some insider buying going on, right? So director September the 24th executed a purchase for 45,000 shares in unique fab in for $100,000. Okay, cool. And then Oh, okay, cool. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So some executives in the company buying some shares. So that's always a confidence booster when you're a shareholder, right? So yeah, and it's looking very good this morning. 52% here. Open and go. Let us sell off here before the market open, and then we're just looking very good here now. Interesting. Hmm. Looks like the play. Looks like the play always GOEV. La 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 la. Yeah, just checking some stuff there. Rally please, Vision, rally please. Wow, this thing is just not giving up. What's going on to you with UFAP here again? Another low flow ticker with some volume coming in. That's interesting. Yeah. Some we might just let's watch this for now and see if we can go for a nice little run here and retrace, find support, and then go for another run. Right. So that's what I've been looking for here on UFAP here. Very interesting. Sava's moving education. I know you got some Sava, right? If I'm not mistaken. Walker says Marine is ready to run. Okay. Marine. And I'm just watching for that $4 level on UFAB because it might just be a level that it fails at and then goes for and then sells off, right? So you sold already education? Okay, sounds good. You're getting it again? Okay. Do you think BB is a good buy? I mean, like BB is a good, like I think BB is a good company, Lori. But I think the stock itself is very frustrating because it's classified as a meme stock, right? So it's gonna follow the AMC's, it's gonna follow all the other ones. So if AMC doesn't move, it really struggles, right? So that's my only concern, Lori. But I think it's a good company, like around the yeah. So and it has support at $10. Support around $10 there if you can get that maybe. RV, good to see you. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe, share the link, all the fun stuff, and yeah, let's see. Smashed, Vincent, smashed. Absolutely, there you go. You can already tell that there's gonna be one or two names that we're gonna focus on, and the rest are just gonna be. You can see that what BBIG is doing already, guys, is nothing. ATR, it had a nice little pump at the open here. Not quite doing anything yet. UFAP here hit that $4 level that we're waiting for, and just backed off a little bit there. Some Dave Dollar, what's up? Good to see you. I You're buying the BBIG dip? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if we have BBIG again. We're watching BBIG at $6 very closely. Let's see if we can hold that level because it's very important there. Very important. Good morning, Debbie. Hector says died. I Yeah. What's AMC looking like? AMC is currently trying to hold $40 there, Dave Dollar, right? So again, that's all that's really happening there. Trying to hold $40, right? Not a whole lot happening here today, as you can see. There's a lot of red. There's a lot of red on the list here. So yeah, a lots of reds on the list. And BBIG guys is breaking below. Breaking below again. I'm quite surprised. I know we've tested this level. Maybe that's the issue, because we've tested this level multiple times already pre-market. So maybe that's why it's not quite holding us nicely here. But yeah, there you go. And ATR is no different here. We're selling off on ATR as well here. So again, the question is, at the end of the day, can we close above $6, right? So that's going to be very interesting, very important that we try and close above this level here. Hopefully. Wait. So BBIG would hit 7 before 5? Well, it's not 5 yet, Marco. uh, is over. Wait, CEI is over $2 already? No way. No way. Why? Wow, that thing finally did it. Finally did it, guys. Wow. So I'm gonna put that up for a little bit again. We talked about this level. If the lines can show up here, and for some, yeah, not quite showing up yet. There we are. Okay, so 70 cents, right? We talked about again. If we can find a way to break above 70 cents here, we really struggled at 70 cents. Break above 70 cents, we're looking for potentially for the next psychological level, which is $2 there, right? So I'm gonna put a line here at $2. Two, right there, right? You can see where we're currently struggling at. Even though we're breaking above $2 here, we're still struggling to hold it, right? So yeah, like $2 is just another psychological level here. Yeah, CI is looking very good. Like this thing is giving you no absolute, like no warning signs at all, right? So yeah, let's see if we can clear $2 here, and like this thing looks very solid to me. Yeah, so $2, 220. Those would be your next two levels to pay attention to. But yeah, it looks good. Any Nilesh, you own STC. Yeah, watch for STC to try and hold $60, $66, Nilesh. Right. So, watch for that $6 level. It's close. Is all I'm saying. I know, Marco. Yeah, it's yeah. So yeah, watch for $6 there. Again, make sure you have a plan though, right, Nilesh? Find the stop loss. Make sure you're ready. If that doesn't happen, if it decides to go back to 550, so there you go. Yeah, SDC is not really a squeeze that I'm a big fan of for some reason. I don't know. I just don't like the float. I think it's very hard for it to move, right? So can we talk about how China sucks and keeps creating FUD? John, that's the same. That's a message that I got from a friend this morning with the frustration. Yeah, like what's wrong with this? Like what's wrong with all this FUD from a certain country there? There you go. Marine is actually going Walker. Okay. Yeah, we need some volume on BBIG. Fight red on BBIG sucks. I know. I know. There you go. Well, CEI, good job all to who have it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Brian. Like, I'm not. Yeah. Like, honestly, again, you have to like the chart for CEI is giving me no warning signs yet. Right? There are no warning signs, Jim. That thing again. Even though we struggled at 170, support was clearly holding, and we just kept trying to break 170 over and over and over. Right? So, it's low. Retail is the chase. These are not squeeze plays. They are classic pump and dumps rebranded. Oh yeah, Jim, absolutely. Like there are. That's what we keep. That's what we keep. Should have follow fun. uh, No, again, like you're like you're correct. Like it's just like, these things are originating from social media, and yes, they're formal plays. They're not squeeze plays. If you look at the data, like no one's like the shorts are not covering. They're not covering on AMC. They're not covering on BBIG. Not covering on SPRT. So these plays are not like squeeze plays. Again, so that's what they're being pushed at. That's what they're being portrayed as, but they're not really squeeze plays. So it's more formal, and then once retail runs out of that excitement, there, guess what happens? It sells off, right? So yeah, that's why again we keep saying over and over, like this is again you want to make sure you have plans based on things that you can control, not squeezes. Is a big reason for that retail is getting scared and killing it. Yeah, waste. Yeah, that's huge. Uh, yeah, huge, huge, huge. Just keep going down. You're sick of it, KLX? Yeah, I know. I know. I held BBIG since 516. I think I'm gonna sell now. You're gonna be selling? Okay. Yeah, just don't try not to my suggestion honestly. If we're going down very close to that level, I mean that might be a potential bounce level, that might be a potential like re-entry position there. But don't try not to go right in that position, right? So yeah, if you have to, you just have to do what you have to do. If you have to get rid of your BBIG because you don't like it anymore, that's a decision you have to make, right? So goes to the quick plays. They get in, they get out, dump more in AMC, GME. Yeah, they go Julie, right? Yeah. Like Ritual is moving so quickly. It's like BBIG, it's like SPLT, IRNT, AMC, right? It's just like quick rotations. Whatever is hot, guys, retail is gonna sell and move to that name. So yeah. You want to be very careful with these names, like especially chasing. Yeah, do I think AMC is a squeeze play? I mean, like AMC is not really comparable to any other name as CEI breaks above $2 here because the short volume, the short interest, the amount of money that short AMC is not even comparable to anything else, right? So AMC. Like it's billions and billions of dollars that short AMC compared to compared to a BBIG, it's not even a competition, right? So, by M's probably wow, there we go. CI, well, wow, guys, yeah, like this thing's looking very good. So yeah, watch for a 220 there next. We can take a look at the daily chart here in a bit to see what the levels potentially could be. But ATR just selling off here, guys. BBIG guys, not looking good. Like not looking good at all here, right? So $6 here is not even. It wasn't just not even holding up nicely there. So there you go. CI on the other hand though is looking good. Is breaking seven now. Zivo Jose is breaking seven. Okay, finally. Zivo. I know we looked at Zivo in we wanted Zivo to Zivo is not breaking seven. Come on, Jose. Zivo is being sold off here. Unless you're watching something else. 82. Yeah, it's not even not even yeah. Might drop as next week, Tim. Might that's $3. $3. Wow. Good morning, Peter. Good morning. Good morning. Did we give up on UFAB? No, Pinky. Why? No, we did not. um, what do you want to know? Again, if you have questions about UFAB, again, still watching the same level on UFAB, right? So nothing's really changed here as ATR is really selling off here, but nothing's changed here. Like we're still waiting for this thing to clear $4, and it's not quite doing it yet. So if you're in UFAB, that should be your level to watch, right? $4 right there. So as you can clearly see, like all these candles are really struggling at that level there, and it's yeah. So yeah, watch. Maybe we're gonna do it here now. Maybe we're gonna do it there now. So yeah, UFAB $4 is your level to watch. Up 10% Walker. Okay, sounds good. It's a Dead Cats. Jose, unbelievable. Well, are we breaking? Four, 3. There you go. There you go. What about any? We can take a look at any. It's going to hit four. Yeah, Pinky. Yeah, it's hitting four already here. So, well, we're sitting above $4 here right now. So there you go. There we go. Yeah. Finally, the question though is, can it hold it? Right. So that's what you're looking for, and not it doesn't seem like it wants to yet. But yeah, that's gonna be the question here. Can we close above four, and then go from there? Wow. My positions today are not feeling good about next week, Alex. You mean on on BBIG? You're not feeling good about BBIG anymore, Alex? Yeah, and you're getting rid of it? Okay. And got people's attention more than BBIG at the moment. Closer to the next date, I believe BBIG will pick up Anthony. Yeah, yeah. Sava looks good. GOEV. Yeah, I might need to take a look at GOEV here. I keep getting mentions of GOEV here, so I'll take a look. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, there's some very good volume there vision on CEI. Again, like penny stocks usually have volume here because they're so much cheaper, right? So just the whole market in general, not just BBIG. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Mm, the next support for BBIG 550. That'd be a next level support them. A Monday, but not gonna risk the swing, Alex. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let me do some ticker requests here. I'm getting some GE questions, some marine questions, so let's take a look at some charts here. Uh, so I'm gonna switch over to some other yeah, there you go. So I know we looked at the marine yesterday, so it should be at the bottom of the list here somewhere, maybe not. So marine. Again, Marine had a very good day 2 days ago and then sold off yesterday. So Marine is honestly still sitting at $9 here. I know we're having a nicer day here today, but it's really gone nowhere, right? So yeah, and we're currently feeling like 9 to 920 here. So yeah, so Marine looks okay today though, but it's not really going anywhere yet. So watch for that $9 level that's hold as a new level of support for now. But other than that, I'd be careful. Again, it's Friday. These things usually sell off as you go into the rest of the day, right? So just be careful there. GE. Um, oh yeah, so GE was the company that did the split, right? So one second, one second, um yeah, so GE, where is it? So I'm going to take a look at the daily chart here for GE, because I can't get enough information there from that. So GE did the split not too long ago. So yeah, August the 2nd, they did the split from like $15 or whatever, all the way to $100, right? And they've done nothing since. Honestly, it's yeah, they haven't really done a whole lot here. It seems like we're finding support in between like $97 and $100 here. We're trying to find support in that range. Other than that, there's not a whole lot yet. This thing needs to break up of 107 here before we can actually go for a nice run, right? Other than that, not a whole lot happening there with GE. What else? Uh, talk about RWLK. I know that's one we looked at yesterday as well. If I can find it on the list here, right there. So yeah. So again, nothing's really changed here for me either. We talked about this yesterday. We talked about being careful as we approach this level, right? So again, for the last 4 days here, we've really struggled like breaking above this 260 level. So today we pushed all the way to 250 and failed again, right? So just be careful if you're in a position. We're holding green here, so that's a good sign, but we're also sitting just below a very key resistance level, and every time we push closer to this level, we're not quite getting in there anymore. So again, lower them, lower here and lower today, right? So just be careful here, just because we might see a nice sell off to $2 again. So I'd be careful then. Any resistance for ENSC? ENSC. ENC him, if I can pull that up. Any resistance that's what you're looking for. So this thing seems like we looked at this already. Can't remember when we looked at this, but it seems like $3 was a very good just a very good position there, right? So yeah, if you got $3, kudos, right? Again, that's clear support there. Again, this is what you're looking for when you're looking for these plays. You're looking for these things to find again to prove to you that okay, we actually found support, and this is the level we're gonna hold at, and that's a very good entry. $3. Well, guess what? We're now pushing to we're about $5 here, right? So that would have been a very good entry there of that support level there. Not quite sure when we did that, but yeah. So there you go. Yeah. For in terms of resistance, watch for I want to say $6 here. So I want to say $6 would be your next level of resistance. Yeah. Watch for six. Yeah, but it looks good. It looks good if you're in it already. Chaos says, can you take a look at Wish? Would now be a good time to buy in, being it at 52-week lows? I mean, you have to keep in mind that there's a reason why some of these stickers are sitting at 52-week lows because some of them are rubbish. Like some of them are absolutely rubbish, and that's why they're sitting at 52-week lows. I think if you guys have been like I've said multiple times that I don't like, I'm not a fan of Wish. Sure, it's a meme stock, and sure, if all the meme stocks run, Wish is gonna go on a crazy run as well. It's gonna go on a run. Like eventually, if AMC runs, it's gonna run. My only concern is just the business model. I think like they thrive on like shipping stuff from the Asia, right? So that's really gonna struggle when things shut down, right? So yeah, again, Wish was one of the only companies that actually missed earnings and sold off earnings, right? So if you take a look, it's been hard for companies to miss earnings because again they're comparing those numbers to when things were really shut down. But again, Wish like that didn't help them at all, and they sold off to $6 here, right? So $6 a good level potentially. Why? Because $6 is trying to act as support here, right? So $6 might not be too bad if you believe in it. Yeah. No. Good morning, Sean. Marine is on fire. Naked is off 15%. Yeah, Naked looks better today. Naked brands. Fidel. Good morning, Fidel. Erin, nah. Absolutely chaos. Absolutely. So there we go. What's a good entry in F cell, John? Let's take a look at F cell. Few cell. So cog red here today. Your entry was like yeah, entry was down here 3 days ago. So again, FSL had a nice run up to that level, right? Filled at that level. Where support though, support is $6 here, right? So $6 here. We came back to the $6 level, played around $6. 2 days ago, this thing was sitting at $6. Again, that was the entry, and today we're pushing for 7 here, right? So again, we are approaching that 722 level, that 720 level again, right? So we struggle very much at 722, like 720 every time, John. So 720 drop, 720 last week drop, 720. Well, we hit 720 the last 2 days here, and we backed up, right? So just be careful as we approach 720 here. So again, the entry was $6, and now we are yeah, pushing here. So yeah, I just be waiting to see what happens at 720 there. Uh, Bader, hi. Let's see. Fusion by Cool of the Paper Hands with Aloysia. Key dates before. Oh yeah, October. Yeah, like again, we talked about this, right, guys? Again, we talked about being careful on BBIG because again, these guys could play games till October before it turns around again, right? Are we surprised here? Shouldn't really be, right? Hector, maybe that's the thing you do, Hector, right? Again, if you're looking for puts on Fusel here, just make sure that we don't clear and close above this level, right? The 720 level. Otherwise, that might signal an $8 move coming, right? So yeah, again, just like we did the last time here. If we're failing at this 720, okay, your puts will be looking good. But if we can clear that level and hold above it, then that's gonna be concerning. So CI, yeah, CI looks good. looks good. Let me see. One second. Wow, guys, can we get oh, you guys was slacking on those likes today. If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, la la la. ETR sounds good. So let's move on here. Let's go back to the boring tickers, guys, to the AMCs and the BBIG, CM. AMC is below $40 here. Red, BBIG guys, struggling at $6 here. Red, yeah. Other than that, there's really what else? Not a whole lot here. Yeah, it's still struggling. UFAB is still struggling at $4 here as well. Um, uh, CEI here is actually doing a very good job of breaking above $2 and holding above $2 and trying to go again, right? So CEI looks good here to me. Like looks very good. Sleepy Friday. Don't forget to hit Sleepy Friday. Yeah, yeah. Let's see what we can do till lunchtime. So 2 more hours here. Let's see what we can do and then go from there. And then go from there, guys. CAPR. CAPR. Yeah, that's another one that I want to be paying attention to as well. So still 11%. Okay. Zivo is still yeah, sold up there a little bit. Naked Brands is actually wow. Naked Brands. Wow, wow, wow. $72. Again, we're coming up to a very key resistance. I just want to put up Naked Brands here very quickly because I know some of you guys are holding. We're coming up to that very that resistance, right? Again, you remember last time that last run up. I don't think this chart is gonna show me that much detail. But again, if you guys remember that last run up to on Naked Brands here, we really struggled at if I can find it. We really struggled at 70 at 74 cents here, right? So as we approach this level here on Naked Brands, it looks good. Just be cautious here. Again, wow, what's 22% of Naked Brands? And I don't really see any news. So last thing came out on the August the 20th here. That was a long time ago. So Naked Brands group reached a preliminary agreement for a deal. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. Other than that, there's not a whole lot. So I'm not quite sure why. Again, this one's just a pure social media play here. So that's quite impressive how they're doing that with yeah, Naked Brands. I just wanted to watch that very quickly, and I'm gonna get rid of it unless yeah, STC. What's STC looking like? Yeah, not so good. Not so good. So yeah, watch for 550 DM as well. What else? GOCO there, Sava. Wow, Sava is actually back to $60 here. So yeah, again, that any like Sava is a buy, seems to be a buy, right, Christy? Like anywhere around like $50 for Sava, usually a buy. I think we've said that multiple times as well. So like 54 ish. $50, like those are some very good areas for Sava. That Sava is having another strong bounce here. Well, not today, but it's bounced nicely off that level already. So that's nice. That's nice. And yeah, Neo is red there. IC is basically flat there. BB red, GOEV there. GOEV, I know this one's there's people mentioned this one quite a bit, but GOEV here is sitting at a very key resistance level at $8 here, right? So $8. We've been struggling to break and hold above $8 all morning today. So yeah, watch for GOEV here. $8. $8. Come on, BBIG. Broad BBIG. It says has anyone minimum $100. Has anyone seen that? I haven't seen that, Tej. Mm. Hey, Star. Hello, guys. Happy Friday, TGIF. TGIF. Lynn Hiddens, but I just gave it a gentle tap. Well, that counts. AMC Army? Yeah, that's gonna count. You don't have to smash it, just a gentle tap. That counts. There you go. I'm just quickly browsing some stuff here. There you go. No, no, so I know it's a silly question, but I know this is possible. But what are the chances BBIG doesn't actually run up? And as we get closer to the merger, I mean, like nothing. It's not a silly question, right? So what are the chances? I mean, that's the like. Like anything is possible in the market, right? So yeah, like it's very possible that we can get closer to the merger and nothing happens. That's a very real possibility, right, Brights? It's not a yeah. So again, that's why we keep saying, like, again, once you're in a name that's had a nice run already, you want to then be making decisions that are very logical, right? Again, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. If this happens, I'm gonna exit and then potentially look for brand new position. It's like, okay, because you don't know, especially after a run already, you're not quite sure what's gonna happen. So when the merger happens, yeah, like it's a good company after the merger, but does that mean we're gonna run? Not sure, right? So yeah, roads. Roads. If you're in SDC needs to break above $6 again very quickly. Otherwise you might be headed back to 550 and $5. Roads. So the DD app is back. It's back. Right, Edwards. Wow. So it's back. Huh. DD. Interesting. DD. That's actually for some good news there for DD. Let me see what the ticker is looking like here. DD. Still red though. Still red today. So yeah, something to keep a very close eye on. Good morning, Alan. Can we discuss ATR with being support? Your support level is at 1180. Alan, okay, I'll take a look. You're doubting it, Francisco? Okay. I believe there will be some hype before the merger. To be merger in order for that to happen. Yeah, there you go, ways. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow, BBIG is yeah, not looking too good then. Not looking too good. But I want to take a look at ATR again here. If I can spell this morning. Support idea. Yeah. No, honestly, for me, like Alan, I'm still paying attention to that. Like for me, the most reliable level of support has been that $11 level, $11, right, for ETR here. So that's what I'm really gonna be watching for now. So again, it seems like people are just selling off everything here into the Friday, which is usually expected, right? So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Zivo is actually trying to recover there a little bit, so that's interesting. CEI here, guys, again holding that $2 level very nicely. So that's a very strong sign there. Zivo, yeah, very strong sign. Good sign. You stopped out of BBIG. Okay, sounds good. The DD app is back. They're not aware. Okay. I bet you someone always knows. Red. Someone always knows. Are you forward iron into marine? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Marine needs to clear that $10 level there, but that's a good thing. Walker. I'm not sure if you're in it already. If you are, let me know. But yeah, that's yeah. FOMO into marine. Wow. Supports for BBIG, please, Robert. Your next level to watch is 550. So that was the level we hit the last time. We remember the last time we hit $12, 1190. We came back all the way down to 550, like very briefly, and then bounced quick right away. Right. So again, the issue this time is we're slowly bleeding down to that level, so people are not as confident in a slow bleed. Right. So when you drop down that quickly, people when you have those quick sell offs, people are like, oh my goodness, what happened? It doesn't matter because we recovered right away. Okay, phew, that was a little bit scary. But when you're slowly bleeding, guys, it's like, oh my goodness, here we go. Like you're just slowly taking the confidence out of people, right? So I bet you that's the intention here. But Good morning, Quinn. I had this morning. What did you miss? BBIG dying? Oh, is this a good buying opportunity, Quinn? You had a lot this morning. Welcome back. Is BBIG seems like it's no, we know it's not dying, but that's what it seems like, right? It just seems like it's just slowly, just slowly taking the life out of you. The ticker symbol, if the ticker change, it's gonna be um I'm just wondering if it changes to the parent company, to the combination company, though, right? That's what I'm wondering here. I can't remember honestly, Lloyd. But I'm sure we can find that out. Or as we get closer to the date, that's what it changed to Tide. It changed to Tide. Are you sure, Tim? I thought it was just it usually does. Yeah, I just thought like Tide was a complete like spin off, Tim. If I'm not mistaken here, I just thought it was like Tide was a complete spin off, and that's a dividend play, right? Tim. Let's see. Uh, Rick, yeah. Usually does. Usually does. ADA and Dogecoin to the moon, Fernando. Mm, yeah, there you go. Yeah, J Aehr. Yeah, yeah. Tide is just a spin-off. Yeah, they don't change. You. They give you the free Tide dividend. You keep BBIG. Yeah, there you go. That's what I thought was happening, right? So Tide doesn't change. BBIG. BBIG is fine. Tide is just what you get. For the dividend. There you go. Nothing wrong with BBIG. Don't let your emotions get in the way. There you go. There we go. Dividend division. 206. Yeah, that's for me. Honestly, Dustin, that's completely okay. As long as we continue to hold $2 there, we can reject that for now. As long as we hold that support, right? So, yeah. Good morning, Queen. Good morning. It's VJ Raf says bag is pretty heavy on BBIG until who knows when. I know VJ. Thank you for coming in and saying hello, VJ. Good to see you. Hmm. Yes, Ryan. Do you got to sign for something? No, you don't have to do anything. As long as you're holding the shares on the specified date, you just get your broker just gets them for you, Ryan. Good morning, Dustin. Oh no, I know we say that as, but people do the quite the opposite, right? People love to sell on the red and buy on the green. So there you go. Yeah, wait until you see the SPO. You know what, Andrew? Um, Andrew says, wait until you see the merger. You see the SPOT Torch BBIG merger. That would truly be something. Oh man, I just don't have a. I'm wasting my energy or Andrew's on Andrew's. Uh, man. Uh, yeah, no, Queen. I don't know. It's yeah. Having patience with stocks. What are some tips I'm aware of? Again, yeah. Yes, Lloyd. Usually they do, but at the different rate, right? Not quite sure what the details are gonna be. But yeah, we'll meet. Detroit will meet. Good job, Tim. Good job. Good job. What's your position, Tim? Unbelievable. I've heard that more than any. Yeah, it's been a week, Mohammed. Yep. If you've been buying, if you've been buying the BBIG dip, has been, yeah. You buy the dip and it just keeps dipping. The dip just keeps dipping. Yeah. About to be the next greatest stock ever. Chaos says, listen, guys. GRE is about to do. It might be. If it drops to yeah, like once it keeps dropping to like $2 or $10, it might have an explosive 100% move or run back to 50, and that people are going to be pretty excited about that, right? So especially if you bought at $10. So yeah, there's a difference. Like it just depends where you're coming from. In the group with SPOT and BBIG, CCIV, Robert. Yeah, I know Rita. Rita says, "Oh my goodness, oh my God." All three of my shares, yeah, chaos. What, Tim? You're down. Wait, Tim, you're down. Do did not get in. Just watch it. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Tim. You're down. You're down 48. 48K on what, Tim? On Marine or GE? Oh yeah. You're still eating. Still eating. Yeah, GE. Yeah, GRE. Healthcare in the theaters, Detroit. Yeah, no, Clove and AMC gonna merge so you can get healthcare, and they're still gonna, yeah, still going to go down. Yeah. Yeah, so another level to watch, honestly, for again, you guys, once we break below resistance, you need to watch again. Once we break below support, you need to watch again and make sure that we come back down. That we again, once we break below, you need to watch and make sure that we can clear that level and reclaim that level of support, right? So what you're looking for now in BBIG is a reclaim again. We need to reclaim $6, right? Otherwise, it still looks very bearish. So even if we do run up, right, and fail at $6, that's still not a good thing, right? So yeah. Just because we've been doing the exact same thing again, 11:30, okay, failed to get 11:30, okay, that's a warning sign. Break below 10:50, failed to break above 10:50, that's a warning sign. Not something you want to see. Break below $10, failed to reclaim $10 again, another warning sign, right? So we're getting warning signs on the way down here, right? So you're just eating you're eating your shorts today. SPOT in gains and now 18 in now. Okay, sounds good, Tim. Yeah, that's yeah. It's been diluted, merging into moments. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Yeah, maybe people are finally capitulating, you know. So on this scale, let's talk about market psychology, guys, and let me know where you're sitting at. So on the market psychology scale here, like where are you guys right now? Like in let me get rid of that stuff there. Like where are you guys on the scale here in terms of like because you can kind of tell like as to where like when we're gonna bounce based on this, right? So where are you guys currently sitting at? Are you guys in depression? Are you guys in anger, capitulation? Seems that I'm getting out of the mark. Nah, there you go. La, I'm getting 100% of the mark. I can't afford to lose anymore. Lost. Okay, so yeah, I just yeah, skeptical is skeptical. You're not on the list, Queen. Chilling, that's not on the list. Anger, you're in anger. Okay, sounds good. You're in capitulation. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I feel like people are in around that anger capitulation. Yeah. So you feel like murdering a steak. That's what you feel like. Okay, sounds good. Uh, complete. Complacency, that's what you think you are. I don't think we're in complacency. I don't think we're that high up on the scale there. Euphoria, Annabelle? No. Or Dev not in Euphoria. We have a super chat from Andrew. Andrew says, let's do a fun Friday thing. What clothes is higher? End of the day. Unbelievable. Andrew, do you realize that Naked Brands is a penny stock below $1? Good morning, Trey. Right. Andrew says, let's do a fun Friday poll. What clothes is higher? End of the day. BBIG or Naked Brands? What do you, do you even want to entertain this? You're interrupt, Mohammed. You're interrupt. No, Laurie. I hope you're really not in the suicidal like, especially with the market. It's not like it's not something we should like ever joke about, because yeah, it's just a denial. You're in denial. Okay, sounds good. At keeping it. Can preacher, we can take a look at GeoEV. Then again, watch $8. That thing needs to build needs to put at $8, right? So, Hazel, where are you on the scale, Hazel? Are you in a like psychologist scale? Where are you? Where are you guys? To answer Andrew, sundown will be higher. There you go. I like that. I like that. I like that, Queen. Perfect answer. There you go. Sam, again, I think a lot of people are in that like capitulation to anger to depression phase there. So again, which might be telling, which might mean we're again coming to a bottom, right? Hopefully. I hope we're not looking for $3 next week, because that would be very frustrating. Because that's where we came from, right? So yeah, I feel like $3 might be a very if it gets to that level, that's an easy buy for me. So, you're in denial. Okay, sounds good. Robert in denial. Yeah. You're in at below $2, or snap? Are you screwed? No, if you're in at below $2, you're fine. M cents. I have hope, but more this week. I feel like when everyone's upset to buy, it's a good time to buy. Yeah, that's what again. That's the whole point of this chart, just so we can try and figure out where people are sitting at. Because when people are like people when people are coming up to frustration, depression, anger, that's usually when the market turns around, right? So, where are we running to? GRE is running, Jose. It's running. Okay. Yeah, psychologically, yeah, balls. Let me see. The red shopping. You enjoyed the red days, okay? I was really down. You were okay, Lori. You're serious, okay, man. That's an honestly, Lori. That's very frustrating. It's not something you want to like hear, because it's like it's just very weird. It's very real, right? So yeah, yeah. Hopefully, Laurie. Hopefully, we can turn around this rubbish soon. Hopefully again. Cycles, right? As you see with this chart again, the market goes in cycles. So the most important thing is to try and figure out when, like again, when we are about to end the upswing there, and then take a break, and then come back as we are potentially sitting at the bottom, or start scaling in, right? So yeah, again, we do this all the time, right? Up, down, up, down. That's just what the market does, right? So yeah. Up, down, up, down. So, oh yeah, yeah. So like whatever, yeah, like Star says, BBI just get is being manipulated flat out. Yeah, I'm like again, like whatever people are super interested in, like whatever ticker is super popular is what again the hedge funds think they can make a lot of money on, right? So yeah, they can play games in yeah, green candles. Let's let's keep making fun of BBIG, Andrew, or no? If you're holding BIG, yes. You guys are not Detroit and Andrew, like these guys are in the same boat. These guys are like the very same person. Andrew's just here to Detroit is just here. I knew Detroit would be a fun member right away. Uh, yeah, just unbelievable. You know, I'm glad we can have fun. I'm glad we can laugh about this. Once in a while, your support is alcohol. Unbelievable. It's a good idea to. What's that? What's below disbelief? They're just running backwards right up the emotional chart. Oh man, think the overdraft fee will be high, Hector. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, again, a reminder, guys, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, let's go for another hour and a half and see what happens here. And yeah, why is it popping always? UFAB had some news. I can't remember what the news is, but they had some good news. I just need to clear $4 if I'm not mistaken. UFAB some. What's UFAB? Yeah, we filled the $4 on UFAB there. Some we were watching earlier today, and that thing is really struggling at $4. Some that's the level needs to break. Needs to break that level. Mhm. Plead. Yeah. Good morning, Norman. You see a red Walker? Okay. Based on what, Sloth? AMC to $55 end of the day. Based on what? Like, why do you think AMC is gonna be at $55 end of the day? Give us some. Give us that. Give us that inside info you're using, please and thank you. Again, like GOEV guys. Complete here. Where is it? We looked at this thing not too long ago here. If I can find it on the list here. So I'm gonna quickly look at this. For some reason, my charts are acting up here. There we go. Some yeah. Again, like as long as we continue to sit above this level for now, it looks fine, right? I'm not sure where your position is. So maybe give me some details and let me know where where your position is and what you're looking for, and maybe I can go into more detail here. But yeah, let's see if we can hold this level at $8 here. So that's what it needs to hold today. There you go. Yeah, Norman, it's you, baby. Okay, sounds good. This to me is the hummingbird. Sloth says hummingbird. There you go, Robert. No hummingbirds, please. Keep those hummingbirds. Those hummingbirds ideas to yourself, please and thank you. Will you support Gary? If I send you some Mongol gear, will you support what's Mongol gear? What's that, Gary Poland? What's that? Mm. In the positive today, Fernand? Okay. I'm holding clove and I'm looking for someone to give a hug, to give me a hug and tell me everything's going to be okay. Detroit, I'll give you a hug, Detroit. Everything's going to be okay. Detroit, there you go. I want to make you all laugh. We all need it. Sloth, there you go. My sold at 7 put my sold at 7 put on BBIG that expires on the okay, sounds good. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about the thing. Yeah, man, it's super boring, guys. Like it's Friday. Like we talk about Fridays, right? Fridays are super slow here. Some yeah, let's see if we can last for an hour and a half and then go from there. Some give you a hug, but I never make promises because I never break promises. There you go. um Can't believe I entered a short trade position or short play without a stop loss. Lessons learned, just chilling. Oh yeah, you have to be prepared, right? Some again, the issue with like having short positions without that is like your losses can be in like infinite, right? So you want to be very careful. Right, some Don't ever quit, Robert. Let's go, Robert. Let's go. Yeah, on the boring days we can just have some laughs, right, Robert? Yeah, if I don't if I don't die from the sickness, and then we can keep going for as long as possible. As long as possible, Robert. Fridays I'd be yeah, it's Fridays are so emotional. Yeah. Emotional Fridays. Emotionally distant. For Uber to get over for Uber. Lots of volume. I feel like I can grab some options around support and get on Monday. Okay, oh, okay. I see what you're looking at. So again, you need when like can read them. Like what when I look for options, sure you can do that. Right, as long as we continue to sit above $8 here, I'm sure that's okay. But you're paying a premium though, right? Since we're up 10% today, you're paying a nice premium for those options. Whatever you're looking for, calls or yeah. Oh, okay. Whatever makes you happy. Unbelievable. BB is finally going. You mean like Blackberry, Lori? BB finally moving. Erectile dividend. Dividend. Uh, you're wrong. Okay, sounds good. I like my stocks like you like. How do you like them, Detroit? Let's hear this rubbish, guys. Let's hear this. Detroit says I like my stocks like I like women. I like your women. Oh no, I don't know if you even want to hear this. I put 1K into BBIG. I don't know why um, so I don't feel bad or hurting. Maybe, yeah, there you go. Yeah, no, CEI looks very good, honestly. Like it looks very, very good here, right? So again, as long as this thing continues to hold $2 here, completely fine there with that. And yeah, it's looking good. Like it's looking very good. Watch for 220 here next. I think that's the next level we talk about. So yeah, watch for 220. But it's looking very healthy, like just consistent. Like it's just again like we're doing this over and over. Like break, consolidate, retracement, inverse head and shoulder. There we go again. So it's just looking very good, very very good. Some wow, look at that, guys! 100 million in volume already in the first hour here. So yeah, it's looking very good. Yeah, CI. Yeah, back on the move. Yeah. Mm, yeah, sloth. Yes. Yes. Annabelle is killing it, absolutely killing it. Well, my stocks, you know, ice. Yeah. La, Detroit. You know what? You can suck it, Detroit. There you go. And now it's blurry. Lori is because you have to change your settings, Lori. Change your settings. So go. You're most likely watching on like auto, or you're watching on like 140 whatever, right? So change your settings. So when you click on, what do you need to click on? Click on the little like the little dots on the right hand side there, and and then change pick a high quality video. That's why Lori. That's the issue. So if you can see the screen and it's blurry, it's because of that. Oh no, Detroit. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Comes on like C. It's that's what you're looking for. Yeah. 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 GOEV looks good here. Yeah. Finally broke above that $8. Like we really struggled at $8 this morning. Sometimes yeah. I'm not gonna say anything. But yeah, so break above $8 finally came back and again held $8 and then going for a nice little run here. So that's a good sign. Canoe result is if you goes get switched, uh, it's makes you happy. That's all that matters. Dustin, I guess so. I guess so. Is Marine actually still running? Oh wow, that's impressive. Wow, guys, Marine. How did this thing get above $10? Unbelievable. 850, $9, $10. That's impressive. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And like volume is okay. How did this thing get to $10? That's my question. Wow. That's quite impressive there, honestly. Wow. Marine. What do you think about the tweets? About the A tweet accepting Doge? IMRN accepting Doge? Yeah, that's a none. That's I don't know. I don't know if that's huge or if that's nothing to me. I don't honestly. That's like that's more that's leading towards like I don't know. Not a huge deal for me honestly. AMC accepting Dogecoin. I don't know. It's cool, but it's like it's nothing really. Google News, a Walker, but that news is not from today though. Like that news was 2 days ago. Um, the profit sharing with with Google, right? So again, they pushed all the way to 11, then sold off yesterday, and then today we're running today on what news? On confirmation of that, today's the 23rd here. So today's the 24th actually. Yeah, so yeah, there's nothing new here. Yeah, that's impressive though. Mm, mm, mm. Marine, it takes time, Walker. Yeah, I guess so. Might be the only company that ends up accepting Doge at this point, Andrew. Yeah, my dad don't see that as a huge deal, especially where crypto is struggling. Yeah, it's obviously don't those guys don't know how to. Yeah, let me see. Tesla 760. Tesla to 760. What are you guys doing for the weekend? Are you guys what are your so I can live through you guys? What are you guys doing for the weekend? Is Nicholas? Yeah, potentially, but it just needs to gain momentum, though, right, Nicholas? If you can notice that the short squeeze plays guys they're dying this week. Has they have again hasn't really been a week for the short squeeze plays, right? So yeah, yeah. Nissan, he was accepting Doge for a minute back in the spring. Yeah, Tony. Yeah, you're crying in the shower. That's what you're doing, Johnny. Or no? Um, the accepting Doge is not into the Doge community is the apes. That's pretty good catalyst for Dogecoin. Maybe Andrew, you're coming to Canada? No. After today, I plan on begging. You just buy CEI, Andrew, and you'll make a little bit of change. CrossFit game for you tomorrow, and then chilling. Okay, sounds good. You're gonna be washing the car, Beth. On Sundays, we watch football in the States. Okay, sounds good. Canada Star. Wow. Do you think has a 5G G5 and actually a hedge? Yeah, the plants they go roadside. Yeah, yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Elon is a pretty good catalyst. Yeah, Yeah, to some extent, right? So Elon, those Elon tweets. I don't know if you talk again. If you're not talk, if you talk about Elon in terms of like helping the development, yeah, cool. Okay, sure. Yeah, pretty good catalyst. But if you talk about the tweets, those tweets are not as effective anymore. So yeah. What's a good entry? Oh no, yeah, your entry was 150. Your new entry might be 170 there, maybe $2. But yeah, it's we're quickly approaching that resistance at 120, 220 here, right? So, this will not be an entry level for me on CI. Taking the kids to New York, Renaissance Fair. Okay, sounds good. Renaissance. Let's see. Not so much. Yeah, there you go. On Zillow, you're looking for an entry. I'll take a look. Cool. I have a 1% trailing stop loss in CI. Will I miss the run up? Most likely. Like 1% is so tight though, right? Like we're off 14% right now. If you just got in right now, um, like a 1% drop, like that's very tight. That's eventually, it's just a guarantee that we're gonna have a 1% drop at some point here. So yeah, that's but if that's what you want to do, that's fine, right? So yeah, we're quickly approaching that 120 level here. It's 220, sorry. So yeah, let's see if we can break above. Looks good. You gonna bring coins to star? uh who who would teach us the charts? Yeah. No, you can't look at it that way, Lori. Like you're not gonna make gains every single day, every single week, right, Lori? Yeah, like we talked about the psychology chart where we go through cycles, and sometimes these cycles last maybe a day, sometimes they last a week, sometimes they last a month, right? So again, during that time, you just have to be very patient, right? So yeah. Am I? Let me in. You're cold. You're cold. It's sunny. It's sunny. You might have gone to the North Pole or Alaska, just chilling. You're in the wrong place. Except, uh, pop scores AQST. Maybe later. Maybe later. Pop squash. Maybe AQST. Maybe later. Only Peter, guys. Yeah, Peter is HT clearance sale. Yeah, well, like we've basically done nothing here on BBIG today. Well, we've sold off, and like we're not really going anywhere for now, right? So yeah, they get just like no one's really excited about BBIG right now, like no one. So yeah, for now we just watch and see where we can find support and hopefully get back above $6, and then yeah, and go from there, and then go from there. I just want to take a look and see what's trending here on social media here. So I'm just gonna quickly refresh our page there and take a look at the last hour or so here and take a look at Reddit. So Reddit in the last hour, Baba is trending on trending. I want to take a look at Twitter. Yeah, there's honestly not a whole lot here. CI is trending, Affirm is trending, DATS, PLTR. So yeah, not a whole lot. DATS is making moves, Andrew. DATS. You know what? Let me see if I can find that here. Making moves. What moves, Andrew? What moves are you talking about here? Rubbish. On Naked's Discord or an article about naked brands? Let me take a look. I mean, Naked Brands. So let's see here. Naked Brands. After the company chairman announced the company believes it has found an opportunity in the clean technology sector. So the switching sectors now. Okay. Updated not shareholder recent. Okay. I still just don't like the structure, Andrew. I just don't like the share structure. That's my only issue. Like they have almost 1 billion shares. Eventually, they're gonna have to fix that, and that's not gonna be good for shareholders, right? So yeah, HG, I know 6 and looking for 550. Yeah, there you go. Zivo, many spiked again. Yeah, and guess what, guys? Again, like CEI here, right? You want to be careful as to approach resistance. So we hit what 219 there. We failed at that 220 level, right, and then backed off a little bit. So again, let's see if we can find a new level here and then recover. Marine, wow. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, my position. That's how I YOLO and not give a. There you go. So what do you think about Serve holding over the weekend? I have a 750 strike. Still, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Only change chance of making on naked is if you merge. Yeah, or Andrew. Let me take a look at Serve here for Dustin. As Marine keeps running, hitting new highs of the day here. So that's quite impressive. So yeah, Marine looks good. Wow, 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 wow. But yeah, let me take a look at the chart here for Surf. So you have some calls. Dustin, you have some 750 calls. Surf. Surface Technology 750. So those calls are in the money for now. I'm not sure if you are green, but yeah, like honestly, for me, this thing looks fine. Even though we're like red today, this chart looks fine to me. Why? Because again, we actually finally broke above 750 here, and we're sitting above that level, right? So yeah, as long as we continue to sit above this level, it looks fine to me here. My only concern is like all these candles like topping at the same level here. Like again, even though we're breaking 750, we're still struggling at $8 here, right? So that's my only concern. But yeah, for now though, looks okay. Looks okay there, Dustin. Top of the morning, Farima. Top of the morning to you. Still crushing it, John. Yeah, that thing looks very watermelonish. Very good. Is the only thing I've gone red in a while. Star. Yeah. Has done a million offering and reversed. Yeah. Yeah, let's go back here. So yeah, Surf looks okay there, right, Dustin? So yeah, as long as you're green in that position there, you should be okay. So 750, watch for that 750 level to hold, and you should be okay as long as that level continues to hold. Some, there you go. And then what else? Zivo is still yeah, no, Zivo is struggling here, especially come from where it's coming from. Yeah, I'm not looking too good them. So, and then finally breaking above $10 here on Marine. So that looks very good. Your next level to watch potentially is $14. So at 13.88, right? So yeah, watch for $14 ish there. So that would be the next level to pay attention to. Right. So again, as you can see, we're clearly in the range here. So yeah, $10, hold that level, go for $14 on Marine. Other than that, STC there, nothing there. IRNT there, wow, it's dropped quite a bit there, and yeah, not a whole lot happening. Right, so it's yeah, again Friday, right? Friday and AMC is below $40. Nope, holding. Actually trying to hold $40 there. So Mm, wow, marine. It's, let's see here. I have a B. MG says for family sab. Oh, I that thing breaking below 20 cents is not a good sign. It's a penny stock. You want to be careful. Um, I have BBIG. Have BBIG buy a call at 750 strike for Jan 2022. I don't have the stock. What do you suggest? I'm down. You're down 70K. Let's see here. So you have BBIG. Yeah, so you have the calls already for 750 for Jan 2022. I don't. You don't. Yeah, you have options. So you don't have any. I don't have any stock. What do you suggest? I'm not sure I understand the question, MJ. Please clarify. So Annabelle says, what do you know any websites that I can use to analyze stocks without having an account? What do you like? What do you mean? What do you mean like analyze? Like look at the charts without having an account? Yeah, most of these platforms want you to like at least have a free account, right? So Pep says looking for position in marine. Could you take a look? I mean, like after we're up like 26% here is not ideal. Yeah, TradingView allows you to do that, Hugh. Because I use TradingView too, but I thought maybe that you had to like you need a free account. The charts, Annabelle. Yeah, maybe just yeah, TradingView or just yeah, I not sure honestly. Good question. Yeah, Finviz, Jeff. Okay. There you go. I'm sure people have some ideas in the chat. You have to have an account, but it's free. There you go. Yeah. You can also do TradingView and analyze. Again, there's a link in the description there for TradingView. So looking for position in marine. I'd be looking for a retracement, Pep Brown. I'd be looking for a retracement back to $10 and confirmation hold above that level, and then you can maybe look for a position. You can look for an entry there, right? So, yeah. Eventually we're gonna retrace back to $10 in test and see if we can hold our level. So I'd be looking for that. G Lim says, "Is BBIG stock still a buy at this price below $6?" Again, it depends on like for me honestly, what I'd be looking for now in BBIG is to like just to give it time to really play out. So what I'd be looking for if I was looking for a brand new position here is if you believe in the company, sure you can scale in like these are good levels. But what I'd be looking for is for a little bit of momentum to return, right? So I'd be looking for can we reclaim $6? Can we break above $6? If we can, okay, I like that as an entry. So like just stuff like that. Yeah, it's good if you know how to use it properly. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, yeah, CRM mono. Yeah, CRM. Uh, no, no, no. It yeah. Broke out of the wedge hue. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Don't forget to like Star says, guys. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah. Let's keep going here for another hour or so, and then we can take a break for lunch, and then maybe come back end of the day or Monday or whatever happens. But yeah, game night tonight. I think. Hopefully, guys, game night tonight. Hopefully. Looks like I really head and shoulder. Okay, sounds good. Inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, hopefully, yes. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Oh no, Star. What about Naked Brands, River Grants? What about Naked? What would you like to know? What would you like to know? Is it my thing? Yeah. Here for that. And yep, Jose, honestly, hashtag rubbish. Far could find the cure for death, and it was still wouldn't move. Yeah. No, we looked at River Grande. We looked at our naked brands already. Andrew shared a little bit of news as well. For naked brands. Yeah. It's had a very nice day. Had a very nice day. Let me know if you. Yeah. I yeah. I agree with you, Jose. That thing is absolute rubbish. So we'll test $4 again today. If not today, it's better to get out to them. Yeah, honestly, rockets here, like we talked about again, like these runners on a Friday, you want to be very careful with. Like you want to be very very careful because people take those profits very quickly on Fridays, and these things like these pre-market movers run, and then eventually disappoint you at the end of the day, right? So you want to be very careful. You want to lock in those profits very quickly. Otherwise, you end up holding a bag into the weekend, and that's not a good feeling. So, will disappoint you. Naked brands will disappoint you, I promise. Oh no. Usually it does. Usually it does. Again, even though they're running here today, I just don't like the structure. Like the share structure is like you have almost a billion shares. Eventually you're gonna have to do something. Like you're eventually gonna have to do something that's not gonna be good for the shareholders. So yeah, I now we'll see what happens with naked brands. They're gonna need to do a split at some point there, reverse split or something to lock in those losses early, Detroit. Yeah. Lock in the things. There you go. Lock in those losses. Yeah, Fridays are like my least, like for trading wise, least favorite. 80% of the time, least favorite. Brands I believe you like that naked, naked and broke. Naked and broke. Naked and afraid. Naked and afraid. Did someone tell us about a marine? Did someone tell us? Oh, I don't know. Did someone tell us? What are you trying to say about marine? Yeah, marine looks very good. Like it just looks very good. I'm surprised that we actually broke above $10 here on a Friday, but it looks very good. Like it's just slowly pushing here. Right. So I don't know. La, 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 la. Not a fun Friday. Here we go again, guys. Here we go in CI as well. So CI as yeah, again, what are you looking for? Potentially so again, holding above $10, you're looking potentially for 14 here, right? 1388 on Marine here. On CI here, we're looking for that 220, right? So yeah, as you can obviously see, we're forming somewhat of a double top at that level there. So yeah, there's some selling pressure at 220 for Marine for CI. BBIG on the other hand, absolutely nothing, like doing nothing at all. We keep seeing very good ones, but after the fact that we are in at good prices, nice, yeah, and start averaging into BVIG, I think, yeah, Quinn, you're pulling the trigger, okay, yeah. I mean, you want to be looking to scaling as we get close to those support levels, right? So yeah, wow. Marine is just absolutely just pumping. Like it just seems like the Google news is dropping today, but the news was 2 days ago. So is yeah, it looks very volume is coming in as well. And wow, FOMO guys. At least we now have something to maybe FOMO in on, but no. Well guys, well I shouldn't have I had a bunch at 150. Yeah, I did 151. Okay. Yeah, Francisco again. Like, see, I gave for the most part like no warning signs, right? So that thing holding above 150 was a very good sign, right? So you're nervous, Chaz? You're nervous in you in ATR 15? But the thing was, again, Chas, like you're in a 15. What should I do? Please tell me, me again, like nothing. Chaz, you shouldn't be. I know you've been holding that thing for multiple days now, and I know that thing pushed all the way to $16 or 17. Right? ATR did. So again, you were red, and then you went back to green. You shouldn't be red again, right, Chaz? So that's my. You should again. You should have found again as soon as that thing pushed to $16 and you get at $15. You should have found a stop loss like right away. You should have found a stop loss instead of like just holding it because now you're back to the same level, right? So and if it's not a long term position, that's when that's when it becomes an issue, right? So, ATR here is currently yeah, support at $11 here. Watch for 11. That's your support level there, and then yeah, nothing's changed. $14 is still the resistance. For the actual fact that YOLO, okay, sounds good. Wish is moving. Okay, Wish is moving. Yeah, no, Chaz. Like again, yeah, you should have found this. You should have like found a stop loss and set it, put it in place. Um, I bought at the top a number of times, Mono. Yeah, you catch the top only when you're buying. When you're selling, yeah, hard to catch the top. It does that though, right, HG? It does that quite a bit. If you remember what happened at 170, that thing rejected at 170 multiple times, multiple days before finally breaking above, right? So again, that was again 170. The main level resistance, even though we're looking at $2 for psychological reasons, the next level was 220, right? So we're just rejecting at that level for now. It's not a huge red flag there. If you don't set them and break, yeah, exactly, exactly, strong. Yeah, CEI is doing great. Yeah, it's fine. Like it's completely okay then. I hope so, John. CI, BBIG. What do you guys think? Yes or no? Just type in yes or no. BBIG, green or red on Monday? Green on Monday. Yes or no? BBIG, green on Monday. Yes or no? Mhm. I got stopped out yesterday at $800 profit, looking for possible entry back. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Carvin is playing that very nicely, right? So looking for possible entry before Monday or on Monday. I think we will have more bounce left in it, just waiting on the buyers. Yeah, exactly. Green. Wow, a lot of yes, a lot of yeses. Beth is like, you know what? I'm over it. It is what it is. At this point, the market can suck it. You know, Beth. If that's a question. Yes, Paul. Wow, you guys are. You guys are very. A lot of you guys are very wow, a lot of yeses. I wouldn't even tell. You're correct, Beth. Okay, sounds good. I mean, William is gonna be green on Monday regardless. He's gonna be so to do the same exact as Marine sell off from people taking profits and then a huge run on Matthew. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, we'll see. Not if you get in, Lori. Next level support Carlos is $11 for ATR. It's been the same level that we've been watching for the last week or so. So nothing's really changed them. So yesterday and today into the together the Sam. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it's average down. Okay. Yeah, just make sure you have a plan there, right? Like Star says, Sam. So yeah. It's average down. If I get a stock, then you better run for the hills. Everyone says that though, Lori. Everyone says that. But like most of the time, people say that after buying something that's running already and they FOMO in, and then it starts retracing the right lorry. Some, we'll see. PG and drops hard, and then I buy ATR and it drops too. No, the market humbles. We have a new member, guys, Jeff. Let's go, Jeff. Welcome to the fam. Thank you very much for the support. Come join us in Discord, please. Come join us. Come join us. Send me an email. Email at the top of the screen there, Jeff, and I will send you an invite to come join us in Discord. Welcome, Jeff. Yeah. Welcome, welcome. So once you join Discord, Jeff, make sure you go to the Getting Started channel, and there's some instructions there for you, and you'll be good to go. Just follow the instructions. Welcome, Jeff. La, la, la. Uh, always like this. Perfect opportunity to buy, Sony. Thank you, Scotty. Thank you. Oh yeah, just follow. You can just follow the instructions there from Scotty, and you'll be good to go. It's almost becoming a meme. Yeah. Good morning, Karina. Good morning. So I'm thinking the market might take a tumble next week into the first because America is talking about a government shutdown. Yeah, I thought you guys postponed that stuff, Queen. I thought that the announcement came out yesterday that they came to a decision and they decided to postpone that stuff. So no shutdowns for at least for now. Trey, to buy some Sony products. Um, there you go, Trey. Yeah, there you go. And yeah, like CEI guys, again, you want to be careful at 220. It's not an entry at 220, right? Just because of resistance, and then a little sell off there. Marine here, again, eventually expecting a retracement to $10. Yeah, we're gonna see that today. Not quite sure, but eventually some. But yeah, it looks good. So your next level of resistance, if we don't get to $10, is 13.88, $14. That's the next level there to watch. Even though we can watch every dollar, that's just the main next level there. And then BBIG guys needs to get back above $6, right? So yeah. Needs to. Just very slow, very very slow. It's going high, Mina. Well, it's retracing for now though, right? So yeah. La, 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 la. And one I saw on my you saw your at 31% gains, Quinn. Not again. I'm not. Like I personally would not be selling at that price because I know how hard we've really struggled at like really struggled at 170. So the fact that we finally break above 170 and we're sitting above that level is not a sell target for me, right? So yeah, but that's okay, Quinn. All right, you sold for 31% gains. Like congrats, good job. Like when stock breaks above resistance, for example, it breaks above 170, we're sitting on 180. What I do in that case is set my stop loss at 169, just in case we break below again. Okay, and then I'm out. Right. So like in this case, once we clear $2, my stop loss is now 199, and then we just keep moving like that, right? So that's how I like to play them because you never know how high these things run, right? So I like to set my stop loss again, let it break above, set my stop loss below. If it keeps running, I'm celebrating, but if it comes back down, then I'm still happy, right? Because I locked in some gains. One of them days, stocks dive after you enter, Vincent. What did you buy now? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Good job. Beth says I need some coffee, a donut, and a hug. Beth, it'll be okay. It's gonna be okay, Beth. It's gonna be okay. What's that, Rota? What? It's time to go back to Kigo. What? What does that even mean? I don't want to say it. I'm not gonna say it. Mm, okay, sounds good, Queen. Sounds good. Forceful stripping. You don't know what it means? Star. Okay. Like roadside is very questionable, so I want to be very careful. It's it's a male being okay, sounds good. Of course, Marco comes in right at that time. Of course. Are we surprised? Yeah, nope. Marco, you're at the gym? Okay, nice. Mm-mm-mm. I didn't want. Oh. Mm-mm. Mm. OG game. Yeah, the mic. Yeah, the mic picks up everything. Everything. Let's see here. So I know Laura is asking a question here. So what's a good buy in for cap arm? Sure. Let me take a look here. Cap arm. Should be at the bottom of the list here. I want to just take a look at the minute here. This thing's lost almost all the gains. Honestly, avoid. These guys had news, had a nice gap up this morning, Lori, and well, guess what? All the gains are gone here. So, yeah, I let me see if I can quickly pull up that news again here. Phase two trial in muscular dystrophy here met its primary endpoint, and nope, all the gains are gone again. This is just the Friday effect, guys, Lori. Right? These things usually again gap up and then sells off. They sell off, right? So yeah, no, I'd be very careful there. I'd be very, very careful there. UFAB gains are gone there. I just, Marine is the only thing that's actually looking very good there with CI there as well. Other than that, Zivo is actually trying to hold those gains, so not bad. Needs to clear $7 there maybe. And AMC just playing around $40 here on AMC. We have some green candles, guys, on BBIG. BBIG, some green candles. It was a chocolate. What did you miss? What's hot? Marine is hot liquids. Marine is seems to be the hot ticker. So is CEI. Crystal, hello. Mamadov says check RWLK. I've looked at it quite a few times already today as well. Like, are you looking for a position in that play, or what are you looking for? Good morning, Noir. How are you? Hello, hello. It's actually going nuts. Oh, okay. It's actually going nuts. Wow. Okay. Let me see here then. Hmm. I know we've looked at this quite a bit today. 22% then. Okay, wow. Yeah, it's actually finally for the first time in a long time here, right? Again, we really struggled at breaking this 260 level here, and it's actually pushing above that level now. So yeah, it's looking good there. Um, RWLK. Let me see. Mm, RWLK. There you go. Mm-mm. You fell asleep. Again, allergies. Okay, sounds good, Amber. Liz says looking to add more to PMCB. Yeah, it's not too bad. Like PMCB is not too bad. Yeah. So not gonna be able to walk after the crypto. Thank you for the super chats. Um, I don't know what to tell you, Crypt. I don't know what to. I don't know. Unbelievable. Honestly, Crypt, you know what? You can suck it. uh, almost. Just. Yeah, and then I say stuff like that, and then Amber's gonna just take a clip, and then next thing it's no word story. Good time to what? We have like 40 minutes left, and then yeah. That's a mic drop from Crypt. Yeah. There you go. That's pretty funny. What's going on here? Um, there you go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Wow, BBIG. Oh, okay. Look at these candles, guys. These are the first like two candles, like nice candles that we've had in a while here. Are we about to see something spicy, guys, on BBIG? Come on, BBIG. Have less than an hour to perform. Otherwise, yeah. Come on, BB. Come on, BBIG. Come on. Yeah. Amanda. There you go, Detroit. For what? What are you missing? Oh no, just a lunch hour, and then we can take a break, Didi. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Amber. Yeah. Over time, we talk about BBIG goes it goes green. Talking yeah, I know. Like BBIG is just yeah. There you go. Well, is BBIG dead? That's number fifth, number 67. No, it doesn't Detroit. GRE doesn't. GRE is the worst, like absolute worst, like the worst stock I've ever, like like the worst stock I've ever seen, like ever. Yeah, it's topping the like the sundials, and and then the ACBs and the and the cloves and the yeah. It's just topping that list. Hopefully, Torch. Don't forget Torch. Hopefully, BBIG doesn't end up on that list. Uh, ch- yeah, Papa Bowl, worse than Clove. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, of course. Has decent fundamentals. Yeah, it does. It has decent fundamentals. Yeah. Yeah, like Clove has good fundamentals to me. Yeah, like long term, not worried about Clove. Clove is not yeah, not worried about Clove long term. It's the it's the short term manipulation, right? So again, if you take a look at Clove, Clove has had some like in the recent past year, it's had some very good news that makes it pump up a little bit and then sells off, right? It's just a manipulation, so it's not again like company again doesn't necessarily correlate with the stock, right? So that's the issue. BBIG is following torch. Oh no, you're in any storm? Okay. Mm-mm. I mean, I need to. You want I need to run, Anthony? Yeah. Oh, but like rework here is looking very good actually. You know what? I'm gonna take a look at I'm gonna take a look at the daily chart here for that ticker there. I know Mamadov is watching that as well. So that's not what I want. Where is it? Right there. So yeah, it's actually looking very good again. Well, finally. So I'm going to switch the scandals. They're finally clearing this, finally breaking above this level, right? As you can see, we've really struggled at 260 here. So I'm just going to zoom out here and see where potentially we could run to. Yeah, like this thing could easily start pushing for the like 320 here, 320 to 350 here. That would be your next level of resistance to watch. For that ticker there. So yeah, yeah. There you go. So it's looking not too bad then. Not too bad. So let's go back here to those candles and a different time frame there. And yeah. EMC below $40, guys, right? Some oh wow, guys. BBIG is actually trying to get back to $6 here again. This is gonna be a huge test now, right? Like we mentioned earlier, it honestly doesn't matter if we play these games and we push to $6 and fail. Again, that's a bigger warning sign. If we push to $6 and fail and then come back down, that's a huge red flag because we're just doing the exact same thing we've done over and over. So again, need to clear this level, otherwise this run is for nothing. Like this run might even be more negative than anything, right? So yeah, needs to clear that level. Yeah, there you go. Come on, BBIG, gain some momentum. Come on. Circumcisions to people while they are still awake. Unbelievable. You're buying a patient. You've been patient. Oh, BBIG. Only the other stock I've held the nail. See what happens, BBIG. Amber. Okay, sounds good. Well, yeah. Don't worry. BBIG will shrivel up soon like a man's. Wow, Andrew, unbelievable. Hi apes, Libby. So I know you signed up, so Libby, I'll give you a pump. Yeah. So there you go. Welcome to I think you just yeah, I think you signed up. I don't know if you're in Discord yet, Libby. but I know you are a new member, right? So I saw you like I yeah, I think you signed up not yesterday, but I don't think we were streaming at that time. So welcome to the family. Thank you. Let me know if you're in Discord. If you're not, then yeah, come join us, please. Looking, I'm holding BBIG, so nah, I feel trapped. Can't come out and play at Vinrock. I know. It's annoying when like when you're holding positions and that are not performing because now you can't really play with anything else, right? So, you will. Okay, sounds good, Libby. Yeah. If you need a link, so again, there's a link in the YouTube community tab. But if you can't find that, I just send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I'll send you an invite to come join us in Discord. There you go. Andrew, yeah, you guys can see that. Like we, there you go. Thank you, Scotty. As soon as BBIG guys starts showing a little bit of like signs of life, we get so more people start joining the stream. Like BBIG is people are just avoiding BBIG for now. There you go. Who's in the BBIG? We need to clear that $6 level on BBIG, guys. Otherwise, this is all this run here is for nothing, right? So it's yeah. So BBIG. Keep going, please, and thank you. Keep going. Keep eating this banana here. Maybe the banana is actually helping, guys. You guys remember the banana? Someone said, like the banana. It's the banana. So maybe. So I'm doing my part, guys, to pump up BBIG. So why do I feel like Amber's about to see some rubbish? Why do I just feel like coming? Mm-hmm. You wouldn't let who in, Amber? Mm-mm. Andrew. Mm. So M10 says, my software's gave me some knowledge. There we go. Um, it's marine over. In at $8. Should I take profits? Are you happy with the profits? That's your first question. Yeah. Like, are you happy with the profits there, M Sense? If you're happy with the profits, yeah, like you can take them if you want to. You can slowly scale out. But I personally would just set my stop loss at like 9.99 if I were you, M Sense, and then go from there. Like I would just set my stop loss at 9.99 just in case it breaks below $10, and then that's concerning. But for now, Marine looks okay. Come on, BBIG, don't do us like that. Gives bananas to people who don't want them. Did he mode into rewalk? Okay. Yeah, watch for 260 again. Eventually, we're gonna come back and retest 260 then. So yeah, watch for that level. Alisa. Oh no, Queen. How many Queen, you hit a lot of people? If I don't miss the break and run out, only okay, so cool. 950 stop loss. Like my stop loss would, yeah, 950. That's if you want to, right? That's up to you. Like mine would be yeah, mine would be a little bit higher, but yeah, if you want to, that's up to you. That's not, again, that's a, you're in profits, right? So yeah, you can afford to do stuff like that. Long smoke. I just FOMO in and see what happened, DD. Okay. Is that a double screw over for me on the 5 minutes? Queen, unbelievable. Just pity them. Wow. I'm trying to eat my banana in peace, so I'm just gonna mind my own business, Queen. I'm gonna stay out of it. Mm, um, is that a double screw over forming on the 5 minute on BBIG? Seems like it. Seems like it. Right. Some again, the fact that we're failing to get above $6 again is a huge warning sign for me. So yeah, let's see what happens. Bobby, for ATR, we are currently sitting at 1 second here. Yeah, $11 still, Bobby. Nothing's changed yet. Support at 11, resistance at 14. Is it empty? Empty short glass? Oh, nothing. Yeah. Christy's back. Christy. Hmm. BBIG. Okay. Just get over $6, please. That's what we want. Just get over six. Get back to green. Let's push into the Friday, and the excitement is gonna come back. People are gonna talk about BBIG over the weekend. So, Mike, did you see that? Did you see that come back? And guess what happens on Monday? We keep running, right? So yeah, let's build some momentum here on BBIG. When the market has these price drops, trim, yeah. Emmer says I just arrived. Go BBIG, Emmer, yeah. Let's see if we can get back above $6, guys. So again, it's gonna be a huge test. It gets a huge test here for BBIG. All right, so I'm passing by to say hi. Let's go, Robert. Good to see you. Good to see you, Robert. Hi. Is that a double screw over? Unbelievable. La, 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 la. Come on, give us that six. Six, six, six. BBIG is maybe again, like we talked about potentially finding the bottom like in between 550 and $6. Hopefully that's the case here. Hopefully BBIG is coming around here to finding that bottom, and we can hopefully bounce. So I'm just talking rubbish. So BBIG stays green. It's working. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, hopefully in the next little bit here, yeah, we can start breaking about $6. Talking rubbish. No, 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 no. Bambino says, "What's a good entry for CI? I mean, if we can test and hold $2, maybe that's a good position. But like 170 would be nice as well. 170 would be nice. Remove the I, and what do you see? Um, Trey, I don't see anything. No, no, no. Let's see. Give us for Alibaba. What's a good entry for Alibaba? We can take a look at the chart in a bit here. So I know like Baba's people like Baba long term wise, but there's just so much negative sentiment around that place. So you want to be careful. I think like the level is like 150 ish, like anyway like 150 160. I'll take a look at Baba. I just want to quickly add it to my list here, and then I'll take a look. Alibaba. Yeah, that thing's below. It's not below 150 there. Yeah. Might be very cautious with that ticker. Might be very, very careful. Yeah. I might even just yeah. I'll take a look at the chart in a bit. Come on, BBIG. We're trying, guys. We're trying to get back above $6. Come on. Come on, BBIX. And then again, so for a rewalk here, guys, what you're looking for is again, as expected, right? These things love to break above resistance, but then come back and test and hold, right? So yeah, again, so watch for this 260 level here to hold. If we can hold and start bouncing, that's a very good sign, right? So for rewalk here, so that's what I'd be paying attention to there. Mm, Alibaba, Sean Doge. As you see any good news? No, no good news. I would stay away from anything like that personally. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Norm. Yeah, there's just so much negativity around it. I'd be very careful around that. On cable last night, so many commercials that end up being longer than the Godfather. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, how do you watch movies with like commercials, Andrew? Mm, Noah works for the Techie 9 point borrowed today. Okay. Mm. On DKG, let me do some ticker requests then. It's been a few minutes. It's been a bit since I looked at some tickers here. So DKG, cool. Sure. Let me take a look. DKNG, DraftKings. Wow, this thing's really sold off here. Really sold off. Wow. Yeah. I mean, like around $50 here, cool. Might be like 50 dollars here, 51 might not be a bad area for you to scale in ad, right? So again, so what I'd be looking for is again just like stuff, what we look for, right? So again, let it sell off, but then we need a little bit of consolidation there. We need some positive momentum to come in, and then we go for a nice run, right? So that's what we're looking for. So it's never really like a surprise run. Usually there's a period of consolidation there, a single green candle just to show that momentum is changing, and then we can run up from there, right? So yeah, again, DK and G, let me see if there's any news here. September the no, Dios. I know those. Okay, yeah. So, investors lawsuit against DKNG, announced by Shareholders Foundation. Huh. Interesting. Receives a per share proposal for DraftKings. Okay. Interesting. I know there's a lot more going on here with DKNG. Like on this drop, there's a lot more going on here, like fundamentally. So that's something you might want to take a look at as well. So, not just the chart, right? So yeah. 57%. Yeah, Chaz. Yeah, again, like on ATR. Yeah, like 57%. That's not new though, right? It's always been around like the 50%. Like the 50% short interest mark there. It should like cost to borrow has always been around like around those levels there. But that's not something I'd be basing your decision off of, right? So yeah, just be careful there because again, that's the same thing. Okay, I'm jumping back in the shark infested waters. Oh no, Crystal. Crystal, why? Why? Like, Crystal, what's making you buy clove? Oh no. Crystal is a clove is a good buy. I'm jumping back in the shark and there's some sharks in there that Chris, be careful. Yeah, there you go. Christy says be careful. A good buy at 260, a quick play. Yeah, potentially he's right. If we test that level and it seems like we're about to bounce off that level, yeah. There you go. Is naked brands a buy, Amando? Not for me. Not for me. Only tells the shorts that maybe shorting the stock, which could be reason for negative price. Actually, exactly right, Seki. Yeah. Trace DSS here? No. Maybe DSS is usually watching. Yeah, but this is a stock stream, so maybe not. Crystal Clove rubbish. Oh, we know Clove is rubbish short term wise. Super chat from Lori. So if BBIG hits six, would you say that's a buy? If we break above six again, it depends on how we're pushing to these levels, right, Lori? If we're breaking above six, well, again, as we'll go into the rest of the day, we're breaking above six. It seems like momentum is coming in a little bit. We're holding that $6. Like it seems like sentiment is changing. Yeah, that's a good level to take a gamble at. So it just depends what we're doing at that level. But if we're hitting six, just like we hit 7, 11, 30 a few weeks ago, and we're playing at that level, like just sitting below, that's a warning sign, right? So if we're sitting below $6, that's a warning sign. So if we can break above six and hold above six, then that's a good sign. Back in at you could not resist. Oh yeah, okay, there you go. Don't worry, Crystal. You're going to be at $7 tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, Monday. You can, and then $6, and then absolute trash. Short term wise, need some more volume. Yeah. BBIG is over for today. Thank you for the super chat, Lori. Thank you. Let's go back here. So that's DK and G there. I'm gonna go back here. If I can find it here, as AMC is still holding $40 there, so not bad. And BBIG, nothing. All right, so again, $6 again. This might end up being like again, this run here might be end up being a super big red flag, right? Again, some just be careful there. We walk, came back again as expected, right? Again, usually we push above, we come back and test that again, that level of that previous level resistance, and then bounce, right? So we came back to 262 here, so it's very close, and we're bouncing. So there you go. That's actually yeah, that's very close, and yeah. So and then CEI here just selling off a little bit, right? So support at $2. So maybe that's where we retrace to. So resistance at what level, guys? Again, 220, right? So 220 failed at 220, and we're slowly retracing here to $2, which is where support is for now. Which Chris, yeah. Chris, just giving you some friendly warning about clove. Is absolute trash. Let's have if you buy BBIG, make sure to have a shrink and speed on speed dial. He needs trading all and let's watch for support if it holds and watch for resistance if it and be careful. Really don't know what the entry price is. You're going crazy, cool. You're going crazy. Yeah, I know. It's a lot to take in initially. Just take it step by step, right? Cool. No rush. No rush. Morris says, can you check CSCW? Sure. 250, 260. If it goes down to 15. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. There you go. It's cheaper and saved. About your problems with BBIG. Yeah. It's free, Detroit. Free, free, free. So let me take a look at this for Morris's. Can you take a look at Morris? So I'm not sure what your position is, but I can take a look. Yeah. So can you check a CSCW? CSCW. CSCW. That's not what I want. So it's a penny stock. It's down about 34% here. So I don't think I'm gonna like this. I can already yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Let's see, Morris. So there's a reason why this thing is selling off like this today. So let me see if TradingView has any details here. September the 24th, caller Star Technology announces 21. Yeah, there you go. I'm offering. They're doing a share offering. Each share and warrant to buy 70 cents of a share, exercisably at the dollar there. Company will also on a warrant. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, they're doing an offering, right? So, and that's where the sell off is coming from. Yeah, so this looks very negative here to me. So I mean, it might be a gamble because this thing loves to pump and dump, right? It seems like they do this all the time, actually. So yeah, pump and dump, right? Pump and dump, right? So pump. Maybe this might be a nice gamble here, but you just have to be aware that that's what it is, right? That it's a gamble there, Morris. But yeah, as there you go. Yes, Alan, if you could please give me an update. Alan, like nothing's changed really with ATR. Let me take a look at the price again here. So ATR is still sitting at 11.37, right? So nothing's really changed him. Still has that support at $11. Like nothing's changed at all. Support at 11, resistance is still at 14, right? So I hope you have a good day, Christy. Have a good day. Down huge entries at 8.99. Would you sell at this stage? I feel like you're dying, Emmer. Again, this is why it's important to have those stop losses, right, Emmer? Because I mean, like it's like I can't really give you a good answer now because I mean you're down so much. I'm not quite sure if you're even willing to like what your risk like tolerance level is. If you're willing to hold or like what the plan is. I'm not quite sure. Right. So that's why it's important to again before you get into that position there, have a stop loss in mind, right? So you can cut those losses very quickly and then move on. Right. Yeah. So would I be selling at this point? I mean, that's tough. Learning and earning, Libby. Let's go. It's only money. Money is the rule of all. Love is all we need. Love is all we need. Uh, yeah. You're looking for $9 on a rewalk? $9. Yeah. Again, very let's see if we can hold that level at 260 them. Again, for me it seems to be doing some similar things to CEI, where it's like breaking up those levels and consolidating and really doing a good job of holding some. For now, as long as you hold 260, it looks okay. But if it breaks below, that's a red flag. Marine is moving up again. Yeah, okay, sounds good. Loud to Phil Street says. Let's go. Need to all this, but you guys are helping. There you go, Emma. Yeah. Just make sure you're, yeah. La 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 la. Go. Send me yours, and I'll sacrifice myself to protect you. When are you taking a break today? Will you be on for the close? I want to. I want to. Hazel. I'll try. I'll try and yeah. I'll try and be on for the close. Like like it just sometimes into the close, like it just like there's really nothing happening. So, and if I'm not like up to it, and then yeah, we'll see though. I'll try to be on. Try and go for as long as possible, and then yeah, when I Vegas drinks on you, okay, let's go there. So you can get yeah uh, some water and a smoothie. That's all I want. All I want. One second. One second. About 50 mA. SMA for squeeze. Okay. Yeah, BBIG is just looking like it pushed it up like $6 level, and it's failing at that level, right? So yeah, it's some red flags there. So we'll see. Just slowing down. Everything's just slowing down into lunch here, and rewalk is back to 260, guys. There you go. Again, this thing needs to be holding at that level, not just breaking below, right? So again, watch this candle very closely here. If we're closing below, that's a red flag. But yeah, we need to hold above this level and start. Yeah. So otherwise, it becomes concerning. Channel and everything. Let's go, Alan. Let's go. I'll take a look. Cool. I'll take a look at Zila. I keep forgetting. Coffee, but smoothies are pretty good too. So you can't even taste the kill in it. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. BCTX 11%. Okay, cool. Hmm. La 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 la. The newer chart, 10 minutes. Oh no, now I have a countdown, guys. So Scotty says I have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Sounds good, Scotty. Yeah. No, I just have to like yeah. Otherwise like if I just keep doing the if I do longer than I can handle for now, then I'll just end up taking longer and that's just very annoying for me. So yeah, Scotty, 10 minutes, and then yeah we can do end of the day or something, and then game night tonight, game night tonight. Good time to or too high, Chaz. Like watch for $10. Um, I'll take a look. You know, what, let me do some of that now. So, Neuro, Saif, you want me to take a look at Neuro? I'll take a look at Neuro and Zillow and Marine. If Neuro. I don't think I've looked at Neuro today, even though it's been I think we looked at it yesterday. So Neuro and then Zillow. Z. There you go. And then I think there's one more. Can't remember. But yeah, so Zil Neuro here again, like your entry for Neuro seems to be like $10 here, right? So if you can get $10, so doing this like these cups like over and over, like again, bouncing off $10 there all the way to 19, almost $20. Bounce up $10 again, pushed all the way to 15, right? So we're approaching $10 again, right? So yeah, watch for $10 there potentially. For Zillow here, seems like we are looking to be trying to find support around. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, watch for like what is this, $90? Yeah, watch for $90 here. Cool, right? This might be a potential scaling level. Again, scaling, right? Try not to jump all in here. So there you go. Watch for that. Watch for that. Watch for that again. Obviously, when you get into positions like that, you're having a stop loss as well. But yeah, if it's a long term position, you want to be very patient and you want to slowly scale in, right? So yeah, $90 might not be a bad area here. Can you look at CEI? OG game, yeah. Like CEI guys, nothing's changed on CEI here. Like nothing at all. That thing still looks very good. Right. It still looks very, very good. Like we've been watching this thing for quite a bit now, right? We talked about again if we can find a way to clear this level here, 80 cents to 80 cents, 80 cents, 80 cents. What are we looking for? We're looking for the next level of resistance, which is right there. Again, that resistance is 105, 105, 105, 105, 105. It head and shoulder at 105 here. So we need to break up at 105. So we pushed to 105, right? Pushed to 105, came back down, and then finally broke above 105, ran all the way to 130, 150. Again, consolidation in between resistance at 170 and 150 dim, and then finally broke above 170. As soon as we can break above 170, we go on a nice run. So again, the main level of resistance for now is 220, right? 220. Now we're looking to see if $2 is going to be support or if 170 is going to be support now, right? So again, we'll just yeah, it looks good. Ed says any thoughts on OEG? OEG. Let's take a look. OEG seems to be bouncing off support for now, right? So right there ish, right? So yeah, so OEG doesn't look bad around this area here, right around like $3 here. So if you can get OEG like around $3, that's not a bad position. As long as that level continues to hold, it looks fine here to me. So that's OEG then. OEG. Just be careful as we approach like 340 here, 340, 350. There's some resistance around that level, but for now it looks okay. How can I use it on trading view? What do you mean? How can you use what on trading view? 240 bounce, 240. Can I just I can just about guarantee that we will not dip at all tomorrow? Yes, there will be no dips tomorrow, BBIG. There will be no dips on most things tomorrow. I see him. Built in? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm not sure. I think you should take a break before you form on AMC charts. Yeah, AMC is looking good, Andrew. So Matthew says RTD. RTD. Oh no, this one's is this one like a super? Is it? I don't think that's what it is. Is it? RTD. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, this one's just like penny stocks, guys. Honestly, there's nothing I can tell you here. Sure, like we might be able to bounce here, but yeah, don't I this when you buy stuff like this, you have to be investing in it. Like you have to be playing it based on fundamentals, right? Not like the charts. So yeah, you might have to do more research into this company before right, Matthew. So not sure. What indicators do I use? I use a whole bunch of rubbish. RSI, the super trend, the MACD, the moving averages, the 9-day EMA, just a whole bunch of rubbish. There will be a huge dip in crypto tomorrow. Huge dip in crypto. Baba. Robert says check Baba. I know, like Baba is just Yeah, Miguel. You want to be very careful. Yeah, you want to be very careful here. Like Baba is yeah. There's just so much negativity around Baba here. Like with everything that's going on with China, you want to be careful here. Honestly, I feel like I'd be avoiding Baba for now if you're not yeah, and maybe like waiting for like 130 or something, right? I'd be waiting for 130 on Baba here. Just be careful here. Unless you just like the company and you want to slowly scale in. Uh, this big rubbish guy. Someone says, Didi says BBIG is ripping, and I got really excited. We have a let's see here. We have all the rubbish, and then my mind goes rubbish. Yeah, there you go. Is BBIG actually moving? In the 2 seconds that we've left it, unbelievable. Uh, Louis. What's the price target for? You know what, Didi, you can suck it too. Zivo. What's the price target? Running down, maybe. Yeah, there you go, Chaz. What's the price target for Zivo? Scrolling. Uh, is there a price target? Honestly, again, they're never really price targets for these things here. Let me see what Zivo at now. Like first things first, Zivo needs to clear $7. It's been struggling at $7 here for a bit now. Like the last even 2 days ago when it had that initial run, it really struggled at $7. Today, there is same thing, right? So yeah, we're really struggling between 7 and 7.60 here. Like even if you go back all the way to June here, $7 to 7.60 struggle, right? So yeah, you want to be very careful at that range because it could be a potential like pump and then a dump, right? So just be careful. Share scalpers, not yeah. That's another shirt we needs. Like Krakow and Biz says, unbelievable, unbelievable. It's like yeah, like Robert. I say that quite a bit now actually. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Oh, Paul. All the back holders for BBIG like used to say ripping when a BBIG moves up by 1 cent. Cool. Yeah. Matthew says I lost 6K in SPRT because of your greed. Yeah. Any advice that recuperates that money back? The market been on a slope. I mean, again, so there's a you found that I don't know how you found SPRT, but you can do that again, right? So when you can do something right once, uh, hopefully you can do it again. You just have to again, what did you like? How did you find that play? Again, do the exact same thing, right? So seems like easier said than done because SPRT was like once in a lifetime play, but hopefully it's a lesson for you as well. Lock in those gains. Like try not to get too greedy, right? Lock in the gains. Lock in the gains, please. Buy puts when you buy a bag. Yeah, green. Buy those puts. Buy those puts when you are. Yeah. Let's go back here to BBIG. Let's see. And AMC is still holding $40. Yeah, it's trying to. There you go. And then CEI here again, just trying to recover here as well. It's not looking too bad there. And Rewalk needs to get back above 260 there. Needs to. That's all. Don't feel bad, Matthew. Lost half my value last 3 weeks. You're not the only one. Yeah, no chance. Yeah. Oh no, the market humbles. Right. Like you just go through. Everyone goes through the process, right? So eventually, you get humbled in the market. Eventually, this week, I wish I was. Yeah, Mustafa. Yeah, I hope so too. And October, in your opinion, just have to survive September. Yeah, Francisco. Yeah. September is usually a rubbish month. Like it's just usually rubbish, absolute rubbish. Mm-mm. Yeah, guys. Again, reminder, guys, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And speaking of that, we're gonna take a minute here, guys, and listen to a message from one of the sponsors, and we will be right back. Right back. So here we go, and
Hey everybody, I'd like to take a quick minute to talk about crypto IRAs. I personally recommend iTrustCapital. When you sign up for an IRA with iTrustCapital, you get to be able to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just like anywhere else. They got a wide variety of crypto to pick from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, to Polkadot, and even Doge, and they're adding stuff all the time. The best benefit about an IRA is that you don't have to pay capital gains tax. And trust me, I don't like to pay taxes as it is. So I'm always looking for a break when I can find one. It's easy to set up. There's only a couple steps. There's no hidden fees. Everything's transparent. And you can even transfer your 401k or IRA that you have today. You sign up with the link in the description and you get 1 month free.
mm-mm. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. There you go. Mm-mm-mm. There you go, guys. My timer seems like Scotty says my timer is up. Time's up. Try to get some rest. We that come back for power hour. If markets are moving, Allah, hope to see game night. Let's go. Yeah, guys. So I think we're gonna leave it here for now. There's really not a whole lot happening in the market. Um, right, so BBIG flashing some more warning signs again, right? So watch for the next level of support. Again, the level for support for now is 550-day resistance. Need to clear $6, right? If we can clear $6, maybe we can gain some momentum, and then we can go from there, right? So we see, guys, if stuff is looking better, we see you guys power hour, or maybe a little bit earlier, and then we can go from there. So have a good. If not, Have a good weekend, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Yeah, hopefully we're back to full streams soon. Hopefully we're back to 8 hour streams very, very soon. Hopefully, because this is getting a little bit annoying. It's very annoying to me. You have no idea. But yeah, so hopefully soon. Yeah, we'll see you guys. Yeah, Pristine. See ya. Have a wonderful weekend, Pristine. Nas, Libby. Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Green. Ricardo, cool. Tim, let's go. Mina, don't leave. Mr. Rotide, Modern Tech, take care as well. Noir, bye. Let's see, Rick, unsubscribed. Bye, Rick. And final message for you, Rick. You can suck it. You can suck the subscribe, okay? Yeah, there you go. Bon weekend. Gideon, thank you very much. Native, Didi, Scotty, Audrin, see you in, in my dreams. Roadside, eat a watermelon. Hope you feel, yeah, Hazel. Hopefully. There you go. uh, yeah, it's rubbish. You just had to tell me, like I'm supposed to really care, Noir. Like I was supposed to really, really care. It's like, oh, cause the stream was not long enough for you. It's like, okay, yeah, I'm unsubscribing. Absolute rubbish. Uh, Suck it, Rick. Uh, there you go. Yeah, Dr. M, have a good weekend as well. Andrew, nothing for you. Aaron, let's go. You don't see the IRL link in the description. It's in the description. Nance, it's called I trust. If you can't find it's also a code. Let me see. If you can't find it, just let me see if I can quickly pull that up there. Should be in there. Yeah, it's let me see, BlockFi there. Yeah, it's like it's a, so when you on the iTrust term. So if you go to itrust.ca, there is a code hot traits. There you go. Yeah, just do code hot traits and you'll be good to go. Yeah, game nights. Let's go, Noah. Are you ready? Yeah, Noah is leading game night, guys. Noah is leading game night, so I'm ready. I'm ready. Whenever Noah is ready for tonight, I'm ready. So Noir, let's go. Kevin, peace. Watermelon. Have a good weekend. Thanks for good and good vibes in the stocks. Let's go, Film Peach. Let's go. Film Survival is good. Survival is good. I like that, of course. Never a question there, but yeah. Uh, alrighty, guys. We'll see you guys later, guys. Bye.